In Melbourne town, where the suits all grind, there's a lawyer with a vision, one of a kind. He's the Aussie Overlaw'd. He'll fight for your rights, and he's got his own channel shining bright. From the courtroom to the web, he's got it all, sharing legal knowledge, answering the call. He breaks it down in a language we all understand. The Aussie Overlaw'd taking a stand. With his Aussie charm and his legal know-how, he's a hero we need, showing us how. He fights for justice, no case too tough. The Aussie Overlaw'd, he's more than enough. He's more than enough. In Melbourne town, where the suits all grind, there's a lawyer with a vision, one of a kind. He's the Aussie Overlaw'd. He'll fight for your rights, and he's got his own channel shining bright. From the courtroom to the web, he's got it all, sharing legal knowledge, answering the call. He breaks it down in a language we all understand. The Aussie Overlaw'd taking a stand. With his Aussie charm and his legal know-how,
And good afternoon, good evening, and good night, and welcome to Bodycam Monday. How we doing, folks? Of course it's Monday because it's the low-hanging fruit, so of course I'm going to be here. Hello, Cowpoke. Yes, just in time. It's not just Cop Day, it's crazy-ass Karens. It's drunk cop wives who think that they should be entitled to additional treatment. It's all kinds of shit. Hoping everybody is doing well, but yeah. Sorry, I'm running about 15 behind. I fell asleep, so excuse me. Also, I'm starting to think that I might need to fumigate this room because the cough seems to come back almost immediately when I'm in here. But yeah, so should be interesting. I hope that everyone's had a good Monday morning, Monday sleep, Sunday night sleep, whatever the hell else it is. But let's get stuck into some crazy crap, shall we? Also, first things first, thank you very much to Midwest Safety who commented on my video from last week. I'm going to take that comment as permission to continue using your videos. So yeah, what am I doing for Christmas? We'll be having a Christmas at home with the little one. So probably, I mean, maybe even Christmas night, Boxing Day, I'll probably be streaming. So that for those of you that have nowhere else to go or that are just bored and want to watch an Australian talk to themselves, I'll be here to keep people company. So, all right, let's get stuck into it. We're going to start off with she impersonated a cop in order to hide stuff, and shit went sideways for her pretty damn quickly. Again, credit to Midwest Safety.
Man, just stand right here, okay?
Okay, I just want you to know I am a cop from Virginia.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so
No, you're not.
come back here and just relax, okay? If you're a cop, then
Santa's treating the little one very well, in part because of chat. Thank you to everyone that donated to the fun run. There's a whole bunch of presents going under the tree that are from you guys. So, no, Santa's been pretty good to him. So,
you know you don't want people walking up behind you.
Yes, I realized that, but y'all also just walked up on us.
We did a traffic stop on you.
I was sleeping. Excuse me, I did not consent
All right,
to a
put your hands behind
No,
you. Stop,
sir.
stop.
I'm not under arrest.
Stop.
I didn't
You're
do
being
anything.
detained.
No, Dad! Dad!
Quit.
Stop.
Quit
Stop.
resisting.
Stop.
Quit resisting.
Stop.
Quit
Stop.
resisting.
Stop.
do we have a full roast for Christmas in Oz or a lot of food, maybe a barbecue? I generally reserve the barbecues for Australia Day, which, by the way, Jacinta Ellen, screw you, I will be celebrating, even if you're cancelling the parade. No, so I am the ham master. I'm going to be doing up a roast ham, complete with, I'm thinking orange and cloves this year. We'll see how that pans out. But the wife also wants to do like a roast turkey. So yeah, we do the full thing.
Stop
Relax.
resisting.
Relax.
Good morning to you too, Matt.
Stop resisting.
Relax. Relax.
We got it. She's just
Relax. You're doing the most. Relax.
No, I did not consent to a search. Get off
I
me!
haven't seen anything and I haven't heard from him, Penny.
I
Sorry.
was just fucking sleeping, and you rolled up on my window.
So
I'm
you're.
a certified officer.
Stop.
there's a gun in here.
I'm really sorry to hear that, Deanna.
You need to stop talking to me.
I'm about to put you on the ground if you don't stop.
I can't even put my fucking feet on the ground.
Stop.
Stop.
You don't need
This
to,
is
you
true.
Just not moving. Hey, just chill. You disgrace. How you acting?
Whose gun is this?
That's mine.
Okay.
You have a concealed weapons permit?
In Virginia, yes. Dad, in Florida, they can just search on their own.
We can search if we have probable cause. If you
Probable
work on the
cause
street,
for
you would
what?
know that instead of sitting there babysitting people in the jail. Hey, chill out.
And you won't stop talking shit to me.
Well, there should be talk. Your actions are disgusting.
Can you call this out?
They're disgusting.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
I should be. Okay. You need to fucking let me go. I don't even understand how I'm being
You're going to jail.
going to sleep
You're going to jail.
How
Is
am
what
I
you're
going
going
to
for
jail?
resisting an officer without violence. That's what.
without violence.
Yes.
You got violent with me.
I didn't get violent to you until
I
I
was
tried to
standing
handcuff you.
right here at the end of the fucking car.
Chill, please. Yeah, if inmates hanging out in your person, you got little narcotic baggies all over the place.
Excuse me?
You heard me? I know your ears work.
Another baggie.
Ooh, I know your ears work.
Dad, you're not throwing off the...
I'll get it, baby. I'll get it. Just come back.
She hasn't been searched because I don't have a female.
I don't have anything on me. I just have my phone.
Bruckner's, I think she's got 10-8.
She needs to go in the car.
Okay.
Good old Panama City. Oh, hello. You really are going home in the back of a divvy van.
How's that gun sitting?
Huh?
How's that gun sitting?
In here, making furtive movements, it appeared to me, towards the glove box.
Let's run her and see if she's got a concealed carry permit.
It's out of Virginia. I don't see a concealed carry, but I got a.
Positive presence for cocaine in that bag. Where was that little baggie found?
Underneath her seat.
Where she was sitting?
Yeah,
How was
so
that
she
gun?
needs to be searched good.
Yeah.
She was making furtive movements when we were walking up to the side as they were slow rolling, and it was in the center console, but it's loaded.
Ruh-roh,
I
Raggy.
think that,
There's
It
baggies.
looked like she was closing the glove box as I was walking, running
I'd
up.
say so, because she was heavily moving in the front.
She's not an officer. She's not a police officer. She's an armed guard, according to this.
Well, he says that she works for the Danville Police Department. So if that's not true,
She works for another.
The bag had presence of cocaine in it.
okay.
What bag?
There was a baggie where she was sitting.
Hell no. Ain't nothing, bro. I promise you.
I'm just letting you know.
Danville Police
I don't know what
Department.
y'all do.
And she,
What's her name?
Then she does a security. She's a sergeant for some security company.
Still hasn't
There's
fixed
two
it.
things.
Yeah. So
Where's her credentials for her?
that I don't know.
Where's her badge? Where's her?
He's gonna call and verify that dispatch.
So you saying we had cocaine in our car?
There's a bag.
Little baggie.
There's no way.
There's a bag. That's the reason we searched. I saw that.
Clearly, Dad doesn't know the daughter as well as he thinks he does.
was a little baggie we had. There was a bunch of little white powder in it.
And it came out of my car.
It was sitting right where she was sitting, right?
Underneath her feet.
See the blue and the pink? So that shows for a positive present cocaine. I tested the substance that was in
Can you
there.
open your mouth for me real quick?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what y'all do, right?
Did we search this backpack?
I did, yeah. That's the kid's backpack, it looks like. I haven't gotten the trunk yet.
I think we're going to charge you with impersonating a police officer.
Yeah, because I'm not.
Well, duh.
anything with her being a police officer.
Peggy just crushed Tylenol.
He's a felon. So,
He's a felon?
yeah, so that'd be felon in possession of a firearm.
Okay. And she was making further movements with her anyway. And she don't have a credential of her working anywhere. She don't have.
She screwed.
Her.
She lied.
Carry permit
She screwed.
out of Virginia that's showing in her wallet. She's got an armed security guard card. I don't know how to verify that.
What was going on was we're trying to detain you. You decided not being cooperative physically, and we had to basically work to get you in cuffs. What was going on with that?
I was sleeping. Like when I
You were sleeping as he was like ripping around the corner.
right, I
driving
was
fast.
sleeping.
The whole-
So
okay.
like I fell asleep. I was tired, and that's why we were coming back.
Sweetheart, that's so irrelevant that it's not
When we
funny.
Pulled in because I felt him turn and pull in, and he just looked up and said, "Are you serious?" And I looked back, and that's when I saw the blue lights.
Well, we saw you kind of leaning all the way forward. Were you sleeping with your head on the dash?
On the dash, no, I think
Okay,
I had
because
my head
that's
back
where
like this.
that's where
'cause I
we
looked like
that's
this.
where we seen you way up
Oh, I
there
don't
and
know.
stuff like that. So maybe at first I can agree with you. You might have been dazed if you're going on the story of you were sleeping the whole time. But when we had you out, obviously we're all wearing uniforms, body cameras, flashing lights, all sorts of stuff. When we're trying to detain you, what was with you just not cooperating with that?
I'm sorry. Well, first of all, for my daughter, I just when I said
daughter.
she's a minor, and I wanted her to go inside.
We allowed that.
Yeah,
I know,
we
but
allow
at
that.
first, I
But
know.
as far as putting the handcuffs on,
I'm sorry. It's just I was. grabbed
well,
a
you
hold
say
of.
sorry,
Right,
right?
I was grabbed a hold of, and I just reacted.
We're detaining you. We don't know what's going on in the vehicle. You guys are. I mean, he is obviously the one that was driving, but driving all over the road, speeding. Like we don't know what's going on. He's driving like what we would in an emergency. We don't know if there's an emergency. We don't know if someone just got shot. We don't know if he's drunk. We don't know.
So, did you explain to her what was found in the car?
I told about the bag. The bag with
So
test
yeah.
cocaine.
So the reason why we had you step out is because immediately after all these furtive movements and everything, I looked down and near your right ankle is this bag that has a white powdery residue on it. Obviously, yeah. Yes. Okay.
We just purchased the car. You can see the tags are brand new.
Okay.
So the car came with free cocaine?
Is to comply. If you don't agree with it, if you have prior law enforcement.
Where did you buy the car? It wasn't Minnesota, was it? Ooh.
You have to comply, and you can argue on the side of the road. You can argue in court about it.
You know what mindset?
Just back to when I work patrol, I do understand, and I apologize.
That is a dealership.
Told us that
This is
you
true.
Were an officer.
I'm a certified officer. Yes. I'm still certified.
So you said that you were a certified officer.
Yes.
Police officer.
Yes.
Working for the Danville Police Department.
Yes, where I did work. Yes.
Okay. We were told that you were currently working there, okay? There's a difference between being certified and being employed and certified, okay?
Okay, right. I
So,
left there.
all these, LEOSA and everything that goes with being a certified police officer, such as carrying concealed, you have to be currently employed.
All 50
That's
states.
all 50
No,
states.
I do have a Virginia concealed weapon. I
Okay,
do.
where is it?
I thought it was in my wallet.
It's not in your wallet.
It's not at all in my
It's not in your wallet. Do you have one?
It is. Yes,
Okay.
it's current.
Oh, I guess I'll do this.
You're a gate guard.
I'm going to take these. Should I take these evidence?
Yeah.
Okay.
And what, Danville said that she doesn't work there? Yeah. Yeah, first-name law enforcement officer. Go to jail.
You got it.
No, they reckon they did a field test
This
and it came back for
suspect was
cocaine.
charged with resisting, possession of
They probably
drug
should just do a half
paraphernalia,
decent
and falsely
full,
impersonating a law
review, though.
enforcement officer. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Alright, so that's fine. Where's the cop's wife? I want to see this. I want to see this cop's wife try and wriggle her way out of shit. Also, guys, the next episode of the body cam day that we're going to do is going to be the flirting with cops. So flirting with the badge, shall we say? Because we all know we like those ones. Every sedan comes with a free felony. I like it. Buy a car, get a free key. I'm sure I've heard that promotion before somewhere in Florida. Like a spare key, or it's just that the car itself comes with the key? Okay.
Soon see why.
Hi, Sergeant Curley, Center Police Department. You're being recorded. How are you doing?
Great, how are you?
What's going on today? Why are you all over the roadway in the other lane of travel?
I'm trying to go home.
Okay, but you're in that lane of travel. Back there.
But when it comes to
Forgive my
this,
naivety.
I've known
As you can clearly see, I've never touched anything stronger than endo.
Can you go ahead and shut
Technically.
the vehicle up for me? Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
You have a driver's license.
I do.
Can I see it, please?
Why is she playing cute?
I do.
Oh, she's plastered.
A friend of yours over there? He's a police officer? Huh?
Yeah,
Hey, have you been drinking alcoholic beverages?
I have no idea what you're talking about with me doing coke.
Have you been drinking alcoholic beverages?
No.
Any reason for your mannerisms? No. Any reason for your slow reaction to things?
absolutely not.
Can you go ahead
You got a
and
rental that had a free Glock mag? That's pretty cool.
I will not.
You will not? Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna wait for another unit and then we'll have a conversation, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have an insurance and registration for the vehicle?
Absolutely do.
Can you get those for me, please? There's no weapons inside, correct?
I do have weapons.
You have a weapon inside there?
She's plastered and has access to weapons. Lovely!
380.
Okay, well, I go ahead and keep away from that for you. You have a concealed weapons permit? Are you a police officer?
Don't believe everything you see on TV, Belle.
All right, ma'am. I'm going to place you under arrest for DUI. Go ahead and step out of the car for me. Just step out of the car for me, please. You're under arrest.
Whatever you want.
You're under arrest. Step out of the car for
Whatever
me.
you want.
You're under arrest. Step out of the car for me.
Whatever you want, sir.
Go ahead and step out of the car for me, ma'am.
No, I should clarify. I'm under a fuck ton of stress at work at the moment in the lead up to Christmas. I'm also taking on a new arm and branch of the business and closing down another one. So shit's all up in the air is all I'm saying. So yes, I do apologize that I haven't been streaming as regularly as I would like to, but there's been nights where I've just needed sleep. It's not drug related, I promise.
Ma'am, are you going to come out of the car on your own?
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. And you know it.
Nope. Cheers to you too, Kristen.
Go ahead and step out of the car for me, ma'am. Thank you.
Surprisingly, I don't have mutual recognition with the Northern Territory, otherwise I'd probably consider it.
Behind your back for me.
Jesse. Jesse.
Ma'am, sir, you're aware you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to your lawyer and have him present with you.
Careful, Darren, you're straying towards defamation there, and I don't mean for the nose.
You understand those? As I explained, you already asked for an attorney, so I'm not going to ask you any further questions.
Just keep walking, man. Towards my car back here.
Really?
Towards my car. Keep walking.
Jesse.
Keep walking.
Don't
Towards.
Uh-oh.
touch me like that.
Get in the car.
Do you
Sit in
think
the
you
car.
are?
Sit in the car. Move.
Yeah, I love your cunt. You're gonna suck.
He is her
Whoa!
husband, and before they
Oh no! Oh! Look at the fucking. Look, this is a mixture of not this shit again and how do I get her out of this? This dude is pissed. Yes, he is a manlet, but look at the size of these arms. This is a guy that overcompensates by never missing arm day. I promise you he misses leg day all the time, though. Do I like the grift you sent? Look, I do stinge, but at the same time, whilst I appreciate it, I kind of feel like you being the masked Avenger is probably better than a face reveal, but I appreciate the offer. Reverse toll. That's the face of God damn it. Yep.
stopped their vehicles, he had shown the officer his middle fingers.
Yeah, okay, just so you're aware.
I'm sorry, what?
Any reason why you were stepped out of your vehicle on Main Street and getting out of your vehicle and putting your fingers up in the air for everybody to see?
Any reason for that?
Yeah.
No.
Exiting your vehicle in her lane of travel?
I just had to give her stuff.
Okay.
But that was it.
The other side of it is for somebody making a gesture. Do you have anything else you need?
I'm guessing this dude is not part of the same department. And he was not appreciative of having to come down here. And I don't know, he's like, oh, well, you know, typical fucking stoic faced, where's the professional courtesy? You should have just let her go once she identified as my wife. Well, you know what? Fuck you.
Me? No. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
But he's got out at Main Street down there, put 2 fingers up in the air.
Look, that's free speech. No one gives a shit about that.
Yeah, let's see how you put it in our own piss.
You urinate back here?
Yeah.
Oh, for fuck's sake, you feral.
Husband's not here. Okay.
Oh my god, go f yourself.
Step over here for me.
Good. Good. I can't wait.
Call me inside.
Good. Oh my god.
Oh, Andrew, you're not helping. Dude. Legal Mindset said that lawyers and coke are like charcoal on fire. It can do amazing things, but if if you let it get out of control, it can be devastating. Yeah. But damn it. That does not help the situation.
Oh my husband to see this. I can't wait for my husband to see this.
You go to the west here.
Away.
As if she's going to know which way the west is. She's plastered.
Good.
Right here for me.
No.
Just need you to sit down, man.
Love you.
Oh, that changed. That flipped.
Good.
I'm just trying to help you, man, okay?
I will love you in my end.
While the officer was occupied
Bitch, this isn't flirting with cop day, okay?
with the paperwork, she managed to free herself from the cuffs.
Oh, shit.
Sorry. No,
We'll just recuff him, okay?
Stop. I'm sorry.
Are they too tight?
It hurts.
I can do 2 of them if that makes it easier. Is that better? Please just don't jump out of the cuffs, okay? Here.
I'm sorry.
Can you just take a seat back for me, okay?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Sweetheart, sit your ass down.
Worst part about it is that my husband.
Can you sit back down for me, ma'am?
My husband
Do you hear me, ma'am?
is.
Can you sit back down for me?
But my husband
Yeah, if you're not going to cooperate, you're going to go in the room, okay? Sit back down on the chair for me.
At this point, you're going to get your husband into trouble.
No, I need to.
Go in this room.
No.
Uh-oh.
Stop it. Put your hands behind your back right now.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please stop.
Somebody wants to.
Stop.
Is it wrong that I really don't want a tit slip?
I'm not doing anything here.
Put your hands on your back. Stop it.
And here comes a screaming.
Behind your back. Stop. Stop resisting.
Yeah, and she knows how to get out of them. Ooh, sorry, peeps, about the squealing. Hey, goldfish. I'm alright, can't complain. We got a screamer!
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, excuse me. How is it still another 10 minutes of this? This is where I'd be zip tying, yeah. Although I don't know if they've got them over there, Germany. I presume that they do. Like the special type of zip ties that you've got for police enforcement, but... And there's the assault on a police officer charge, making threats.
I'll kill you. I'll find a way. I'll kill you, you piece of shit. Yeah. Yeah. You, sir.
No, PT, because she'd enjoy the baton. I'm willing to bet.
My husband's a cop. My husband's a cop.
No one gives a shit. No one gives a shit. Yeah, okay, so let's count the charges so far. We've got resisting arrest without violence, resisting arrest, DUI, threats on a police officer. I wonder, the only thing that I'm not sure at this point is how far over the legal limit she is in terms of the DUI.
I'll make sure you run.
Yes, her husband's a cop, but I don't believe in this department.
I make sure I'll ruin you cunt.
It seemed like all of her importance relied on the fact that her husband was a cop.
Yeah, my husband's a cop. You with the wrong Mexican. Yeah, you cunt.
Wait. You mess with the wrong Mexican. Oh my god. Don't say it, Bill.
Let loose now, you. I'll ruin your entire life.
Cartel's incoming.
My mother, get the fuck. I'm a cop's wife. I'm a cop's wife. I'm a cop's wife.
Hey,
How
Wimmer.
dare you touch me?
Wimmer, can you grab Hobble?
Look at me up. Look me up. No. No. No.
You know that's a soundbite. She's in cuffs going, now, now. She's used to that. My goodness, her husband will soon be your ex. No, I'm willing to bet that he is probably just as bad.
I swear to God, you loosen me up. I'm a cop's wife. You.
They're double.
I have not seen that one, Belle, and yes, I think we can probably go with that.
I'm a cop's wife. I'm a cop's wife. You
No one gives a shit. No one gives a shit.
ruin your life.
Walk on this one. Just go.
Yeah, she's good.
No. You better help me. You better help me. Oh my God. Get you. You. Let me let go. Let me let go. Let me let go. Do anything.
We can get her up. Let's get her seated.
So roll your on your side.
See, as you can see, the more you fuck around, the more you're going to find out.
And one, two, three, we're up.
Oh my God.
Have a seat, please. Just sit down. Okay.
Thank God.
Just keep seated, okay? Just keep seated.
The more they bind her up, the fluidier she's going to get. Good God, I hope not.
You're okay.
Okay. Do you wish to talk to an attorney?
Absolutely.
Okay. As soon as you get to jail, you can talk to an attorney, okay?
You're goddamn right.
All right. Perfect. We're going to get you medically cleared. You'll be fine. Then you can go up to jail.
Hi.
The blood on her forehead, Jesus.
What's going on? Just go check out, okay? Cooperate with them, please.
What'd you do to your head?
But you do it.
I didn't touch you, so
Is
that's
there
why I'm
something
asking.
wrong?
You want to know?
Just go check it out.
Okay. Get the corner of that.
Are you hurt?
Why don't you just find out?
Bloody hell.
Okay.
There's something wrong.
Where'd you get
There's something wrong.
We're just asking you because we don't know how you feel, so I'm asking.
Yeah,
I'm asking you if you hurt anyone.
It hurts my wrist.
Your wrist.
I can't do it.
You hurt anywhere?
I've got carpal tunnel tendons.
I'm trying to think which actress she reminds me of from like a shitty B-grade TV show. I mean, the resemblance to AOC is sort of neither here nor there. I'm sure there's a shitty, like, B-grade TV show that there's an actress that she reminds me of, and I cannot for the life of me think of it.
I can't.
I'm gonna adjust your shirt, okay? Is that okay?
But I can't do my wrist.
Nip slip, nip slip.
There, and get you covered up a little better.
Damn it.
No, we're Americans here.
Have I ever got my husband as a lawyer call? Surprisingly not, because my wife working in law herself, she knows how to handle herself. So, but more to the point, no, she's actually been quite a blessing to me. Never had to worry about it. So I'm fully expecting my daddy's a cop. My daddy's a lawyer at some stage. Not because Scarlett's going to be like spoiled or anything like that. I'm just sort of assuming it'll happen at some point.
Look at your side. It hurts. I know, it's gonna squeeze, but if arm, it won't hurt so bad, okay?
One of the officers found a loaded gun in the woman's Jeep.
All right, Glock pistol. It is a 380 Glock 42. Show number Adam Young, Paul 785.
Oh my god, if that's registered to him, I'm gonna laugh my ass off.
It has a fully loaded magazine, 6-round magazine, and it has
one in the chamber. That'll do it.
This one was removed from the chamber.
Oh god, no. No. Let's be very clear on this, people. Let's be amazingly clear on this. I will never represent a family member in any matter, be it an estate matter. Sorry, no, hang on, I misspeak. Because what I will do is act in property transactions because there's no possibility for conflict of interest or for shit to turn sideways. I will never represent a family member in litigation, in a criminal matter, or in any complex civil matter. A, because I wouldn't want to be the one to fuck up and potentially ruin things for them and damage relationships with family. But B, because anyone that acts for themselves or for direct family members is a fucking fool. Okay? You should always get outside counsel to cover your ass.
Firearm secured. Spare for safety really quick.
Yes, all that stuff was in it. Oh shit, what am I doing? Hang on. All I'll do is answer the call to say, shut up, and I'll get you a lawyer.
Do you have extensions in? Yeah.
Yes, I have extensions.
Okay, I'm not going to mess with them. I just want to make sure that maybe that's what's going on.
Yeah. It does look like it's kind of coming from there, but I don't see like any scalp.
They yanked on her extensions hard enough that her hair started to bleed.
No, I don't see any. Good, I'm not trauma in my extensions. I'm excited about that. Next subject.
We don't have to check you out if you don't want us to. Can we look at it?
Can we
go on? Refuse medical treatment so they can just take your ass to jail.
Are you not wanting to have any? Okay.
Can you just keep your head real still, just so we can shine a light and make sure that everything looks okay?
No, she struggled with the officer.
My husband's a police officer. Go yourselves. He's gonna talk.
Where's he work?
Yeah, he's probably talk shit to you.
Yeah, we're not police officers.
Do it, please.
Does she understand that she's making it really bad for her husband? Probably not at this point.
Are you feeling any pain besides?
No, I'm not.
And I'm not gonna lie, the way that guy looked, the way that he was so macho and like the face and all that sort of stuff, I'm fully expecting that in probably less than a week, she reports to the ED having fallen down a set of stairs or into a doorknob, is my personal opinion. Because she's annoying as fuck, and given that he has fostered this sort of relationship in that home, I don't think it's going to end with shit talking, in my own personal opinion.
Not even a cop. Hi.
Still got to provide medical aid now.
Funny how quickly she changed there.
My husband, and he's one of you guys, and he's a. Anyways, I'll say this. is crazy. Oh, apparently I'm handcuffed, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're still.
You want your glasses up?
Just do, yeah.
Yeah.
Do that.
Yeah. Is that better?
Good.
Oh, you know what?
Good.
Let me help you. It's
Good.
not on your ear. That's
Yeah.
why. Is that better?
The cosmetics weren't her idea. Probably not.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Yeah.
Give it. Yeah. It's like, it's
Oh,
not
God.
working.
So Amber, you don't want to go to the hospital with us. We're just gonna have you acknowledge that you don't want to go. We're just.
Oh, you know this.
We're just gonna call our doctor. E-R-A-K-E. Yes, sir. Last name. Okay.
I'm gonna cry. I can't see you. You're killing me. I love you. You're literally me. I can't cry.
I'll fall down. Go back in the patrol car, okay?
Take small steps.
I don't know what I'm doing. No.
You're doing good. Just keep walking, okay?
Oh my God, no.
Yeah, you're going to jail, sweetheart.
So bad.
PAC must be a fiesta.
Watch your
This is so bad.
Don't fall. Just take a seat back in
This is
here.
so bad.
You want to stay there? I'll pull the seatbelts over.
God, no. It only,
I know it. I've been there.
it's only frontal collisions that the airbags stop.
God. Oh my God. I should at least have some socks on.
Yeah, I'll give you socks, man.
I don't have socks on.
You'll be issued with a full set of
My feet. I get
clothing when you get there,
cold.
sweetheart.
Look at that. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. All right, no.
I don't really want to see this as an OnlyFans but
Wait. Oh no. Roll the window
I'd be a
down.
little bit more concerned if this was like a
Roll it the
advert for a
windows
strip club.
Down. I need a break. I made it. Roll the window down.
She was charged with assault and DUI. YouTube thinks you'll love the video.
Oh man, really? That's all they gave us? Will there be more functional flotation devices? Well, no, because depending on what they're full of, either saline or silicone, they're not going to actually be more buoyant necessarily. But ladies, just lay on your back and we'll find you by the floating boobs. Is what Bal thinks. So, all right, moving on. Body cam watch. What do you got for us, buddies?
27th, 2023, an officer attempted to conduct a traffic stop for driving a golf cart on a public roadway.
Oh, this will be good.
Not on community. I've followed you since community. Do you have your license registration?
I don't have to give you anything on my
Yes, you
my
do.
get off my property.
Yes, you do. You committed a traffic infraction.
Okay, good. Send me a ticket.
I need your license, registration, and proof of insurance.
I have not committed a crime.
And
Yes, you have.
committed a traffic
What a
offense. Yes, you
dipshit.
did.
I did not, sir.
Yes, you did.
I did not, sir.
Okay, are you going to turn this into something criminal?
That's up to you. I'm at my house. If you saw me out there, then you got to pull me over out
That's
there.
not how that works. A traffic. That's not how that works.
Please remove your vehicle from my
No, a traffic infraction.
This is gonna end badly for him.
I need your license.
You're not getting anything.
I need your license.
Do not enter my property, sir.
I'm not on. I need your license.
Thank you.
The irony here. Oh, great. And now Karen's going to try and fix this up. See, we've got competing interests here. Because, yes, the guy is on his own private property. However, if he can verify that there was a traffic infringement committed, there was a crime committed, this guy... I mean, the officer's being an idiot here because he should be saying that he's being detained. The second he opens that door, that will get very freaking interesting. Is that legal on the road? No. For the most part. The look says it all. Yeah, this is where it's going to be interesting.
I need his license.
Melly?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, I need his license, or he's at risk of interfering with a law enforcement investigation. Does he want to get arrested for?
What investigation, sir?
That's exactly
Okay,
it.
I will.
And please move your vehicle out of
Call Sergeant Garcia.
Dude, are you seriously that lazy that you had to use voice commands to call your supervisor?
Now I'm inside the gated community, but he was driving on the public roadway. I just refused to give me his license.
Okay, you're refusing.
All right, you're heading out here?
Okay,
All right, bye.
here we go. Officer, I'm going to ask you again. You're in my driveway. Please move.
You committed a traffic infraction on the public roadway.
I'm respectfully asking you again, sir. If you please remove, I am not giving you my driver's license. Sir.
1164, and if there's another unit on
Please move from my. You are blocking my driveway. Am I being detained?
Yes, I need your license.
Finally.
I need your identity to identify you.
I need a supervisor.
Supervisor's already on the way, dipshit.
You are not allowed to.
Okay, you can think that.
I know. I know how the police are working.
Okay.
Very well.
Okay.
Can you come inside?
No, he can't go inside. He's being detained, dipshit.
Yes, on our property. You can go back inside. Thank you.
No, he's going to bring a supervisor. I'm not running from anybody. He'll bring a supervisor. Okay. I'm legally permitted to drive in this neighborhood.
Not on public roadways.
This is not public, sir.
You are on the public roadway.
Okay, do you have proof of that?
Yes, I do.
May I see it?
It's on the body camera.
Perfect. Okay.
I can give it to you after you give me your driver's license.
I'm not giving you my driver's license.
Okay.
Why you don't stop to think that part?
That's what I want to know. If he says I was on the road.
There are other cars on the road.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not fun.
You don't stop at the right moment. It's not counted.
That's not how that works.
That's not how it
A traffic
works.
Stop can be initiated anywhere, a violation.
You don't do that in that moment. That is when you do that when he come back in here in the house.
Yeah, you're just not allowed to run people over and do like in excess of the speed limit.
Yeah, that's not how that works.
Well, you don't do it, so.
That is not how that works.
It's
Is
worked
this
like that
allowed?
because
Are you allowed to block my
it's
yard?
worked
Yes.
like that.
Okay, you are.
I'm trying to initiate a traffic stop on you.
Then you on private property you tried to do it.
Which he's entitled to
Because of a
do.
violation that occurred on a public roadway.
You are not allowed to enter private property to come after me. You can't do it. So that's
Okay.
why I asked for a supervisor. I'm not.
There's a supervisor coming.
Personal, man.
Okay.
Nothing personal.
Hey, there's a supervisor coming, and you could explain this all to him then.
You have the moment and the opportunity for do that, you don't do it. So that does mean you don't do right your job.
That is not how that works. Okay. Okay.
Ollie Ollie Oxenfree.
I am. I'm not. I'm not on your house. I'm not in your house. This is HOA property. This community is HOA property.
That's actually a good point too.
HOA property. Yes, it is. Okay, this is HOA property.
Okay, so you're saying that this is not my property, right?
This right here is HOA property. Where you committed a traffic offense is public roadway.
This part is in this property. This is our
Oh, for
Okay,
fuck's
if you guys
sake.
want to turn this into something more.
Look at that.
Turn it into anything.
Okay,
Nobody.
okay,
You have to do the right thing.
okay,
That moment.
How long is this?
okay,
Sorry.
okay.
You lose that.
I'm
I
speeding
know.
this up.
You saw everything from inside the house, right?
Sir, I am not afraid with you. I'm here. And I'm telling you that if you don't do the things when you have to do that in the moment that you have to do, why you don't stop him in that part?
Oh, you
He doesn't have to, you dumbass. That's like saying, oh, I just saw someone at the bank commit a robbery. Because I didn't turn the lights and sirens on and chase them, I can't then follow them to a place and arrest them. What the fuck? No, they couldn't rob him. He's been told that he's been detained. At this point, the police officer would be fully within his rights to follow him. It's called exigent circumstances. These dumbasses, though, are making this ridiculous.
Study criminal justice?
Huh?
You're a police officer?
Well, that is not your business. If I know, if I not, that is not your business.
Okay.
No, that
but
would not be
is that I'm
stalking.
telling you.
Okay. I mean, you're trying to tell me how my job works now.
But you don't do that.
Okay.
You do that?
I don't know what you're saying.
No, you know what I'm saying.
No, I don't.
You know what I'm saying.
No, because
You are
a
not
traffic infraction,
Uh-huh.
you can make a traffic stop.
All the time, but you don't do that in the right moment, in the right second. You don't do that in that minute.
Okay.
Why you have
can,
to wait?
I'm not here to change your mind.
No, it's because you don't wait. You wait for it to come here.
I am not here to change your mind.
You have to
I'm not here to change your mind.
No, I know.
And you weren't driving the golf cart, so I don't know why I'm talking to you.
Because you are the law enforcement, and you have to have respect for me because you are the law. Right or wrong?
And I'm trying to enforce the law, and you're impeding my investigation.
What investigation, sir?
The
You
traffic-
Don't have any part. You don't have any paper. Your supervisor is not here.
Do I need
You
to
don't
pull
do
up?
the report.
Okay, if I pull up a printed sheet of what law
You
he
don't
broke.
do that.
No, if you show me proof of me breaking breaking the law.
I absolutely will.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
I'm gonna do that.
And then I'll
You don't stop the vehicle.
Okay.
You don't stop the vehicle. You don't stop and you don't ask for his driver's license. You don't do the things that a police officer have to do.
I asked for his driver's license. You were inside.
And I'm on private property. You can't.
Which he's still entitled to do, you dipshit.
Just because you come to your house doesn't mean it's safe zone.
I didn't say anything about safe zone. I'm in private property. Sir.
Okay.
I am on private.
Okay, you can have this argument with the sergeant.
Okay.
With the judge and the
Just because you're on private property doesn't mean you can't still be arrested, fuckface. Jesus Christ. I'm actually getting angry about this. Holy crap.
Hey, doing, boss?
I pull up here with my son, and all I'm trying to do is go inside the house, and he pulls up in my driveway. I asked him to leave. He said, I want to see your driver's license. I said, for what? He said, for driving the golf cart. He said it was on a public road. I said, well, number one, we're on private property. This is private property. I'm more than okay to drive my golf cart on here. It's insured. And he wants my driver's license. I said, okay, well, then show me what I did wrong. He said, I was following you from somewhere, but there was cars. I said, well, I'm not giving you my license for that. I mean, I'm not hiding. This is my house. You can find out who I am, but I'm not giving him my license for some. If he's saying I was doing something, then he's got to pull me over, and he's got to do whatever he's going to do at the time that he thinks that I'm apparently breaking the law.
So yeah, inside the HOA communities, you're allowed to, but anywhere it's like city-owned roads, like Village Parkway, Community Boulevard, Gatlin Cross, anything else that's not inside of like a community area.
I understand
and
that.
Then,
I mean, I understand that.
Yeah.
I mean, to pull me over right here in my house, and he wants to put the lights on and make a big commotion, blocking my driveway.
Yeah, he has,
He's entitled
a
to.
supervisor on the way. Also.
Okay.
So,
I thought you were the supervisor.
no. I have a trainee. You're close by.
Oh, yes, you do. Thank you. You put it in.
Normally, we're stopping the golf carts because a lot of people call them City Hall 1. You can't be on the roadways.
I am agree with you, but do it in the moment that you have to do it. You don't have to wait. You don't have to do this. We respect the law enforcement. Absolutely. But the thing
Clearly not.
If you told me if I am broken the law outside, you have to pull me over and right away in that one.
That's like telling me, okay, I mean, somebody pull up to your house and say, oh, you broke the speed limit on the highway. Well, we're at my house. What are you talking about? You know?
Yeah, you can still be arrested at your house for that, just as you can still be arrested a couple of hours after someone sees you on footage doing a DUI, because they can still go and blood test you. Jesus Christ.
Well, I mean, come on.
Hi. So I'm his supervisor. So I'm gonna make one request.
Okay.
Okay. Pulling into your driveway doesn't negate the stop. I'm gonna give you the option right now, because what's gonna happen if you don't provide the identification, we're gonna have to arrest you. We don't want to arrest you.
Under arrest?
Yes.
Okay.
So
For
would you
what law?
prefer to present the identification or not?
Sorry, I have a question. No. I have a question.
Oh, now she's getting arrested too. There we go, finally.
I'm not fighting. Stop. Move away.
Don't say anything without your lawyer, and they don't have any
So,
choice what to do.
so if I give you my driver's license,
No, it's too late for that. You're already in cuffs, dude.
You will have a conversation with me. Asking you about the law.
You're under arrest.
The kid is that one.
Resist, okay?
I am not recessed, but the kid's down in there. The kid's down in there.
Yeah, well, that's too bad. You should have thought about that.
You did tell this officer no, though, right?
I said I want to understand what the law is. That's all I ask.
Okay.
Please. Tell him that it 14 years old, he is 6 years old.
Okay.
Don't leave it alone.
One
That's
second.
it.
Let us 1 second at a time.
But you don't have
Melly,
to do
Melly,
it. They arrested him.
Please,
No, they
she'll be
say
quiet. She'll be quiet. Please, let my kids are inside. I have a 6-year-old daughter in there, sir. You can't.
Doesn't matter. You should have been. It shouldn't have been a dipshit.
She didn't do anything.
Absolutely not. Put it in the car, please. In the car.
Okay, can I tell my son? Wait a minute, I have
Can I-
minors.
can I have
Can
my-
I tell my son?
Let's
I'm
go
not
to the
fighting. I'm not fighting.
Let's go to the car, sir.
She got physical with the cops. She tried to intervene and stop him from being arrested.
We're right
She's
here.
getting what she deserves.
Sir,
Why are you doing this?
I'm doing this. Please walk to the car.
I just said to you, if I said I wanted to make sure that I'm legally required to give you my ID.
Yes, you are legally
Okay,
required.
but
It's a
if you would
traffic
have told me that,
I tried to explain that to you.
sir, I told no. I was asking for a supervisor.
All this because he wouldn't hand over his damn license when he knew full well that he was getting a ticket for driving that golf cart on public roads.
Why didn't you just Sir, I'm not wanting to do any of this.
Give my kid a ride to school, please. Come on, man. Don't do that.
Sir, there's nothing that I'm doing. Please turn around.
Do you have anything on? Come on. Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me?
I asked for a supervisor. That's all I asked, sir.
Sir.
Please. Man to man, if you have kids, please don't do this. My kids are inside.
Listen.
Oh,
all you had
fuck
to do was
off.
And
touch ID.
it's right there.
As
Right there
simple,
in the
as
front
simple
pocket.
as
I
it
told
was.
you that, sir.
All you had to do was what you were asked.
Refusing
It wasn't, no, but what I'm trying to tell you is I wasn't trying to refuse it from you, sir. I was asking you if I'm legally required. That's all I was asking.
Which you are legally required to do. At that point, he was conducting an investigation. Whether the traffic stop was... You were impeding the fucking investigation. Moron. And now you're crying and whingy because, oh, my kids are going to see this or my kids are going to be home. Okay, if your 16-year-old is irresponsible enough that he can't look after the 6-year-old, you got bigger problems. But, yeah, you're a fuckwit.
He asked you, right? No. Well, he asked you, but he also was blocking my property. And I didn't understand what that was. That's why I requested respectfully. I told him respectfully, may I please speak to a supervisor? That's all I said.
Ay, Dios. There's no going back. Okay.
All right. Where are my kids?
Is there? So here's my next question: Is there a relative, a neighbor that you would?
Can you call her?
Absolutely.
Okay. Can we just let her go?
We can't.
She's just
Sir.
being a
If
pain.
she's in
She's
handcuffs,
just being a pain. That's all.
Sir,
Okay, can you do me that favor? I'll go.
She can't put her hands on officers when they're trying
She
to.
wasn't trying.
He's already done for living in a HOA. This is true.
I never said she was.
All right, just
but
let
she can't.
And I
Okay?
respect that,
So
sir. And I apologize to you, man. Can you please let her stay with your kid?
No, sir.
Please, sir.
Who am I calling for you?
703.
And who is that?
That's their mother.
Okay.
She's right down the street.
what's
Can you
the-
call her? And why is this guy walking?
I couldn't tell.
Well, yeah, I got pulled over for driving a golf cart.
What's the name of the mother?
I'm getting arrested, and he's throwing
Dude,
me in
shut the
my kids
fuck
are-
up.
for driving a golf cart. Okay, get your
You're not
extra
being
and push
arrested
me
for
in like
driving a
want
golf
to.
cart, you
Why'd I do that?
fuckwit.
Oh man, I got kids. Why you got?
Why'd I push
I
you
asked
in?
for us. You know why? Just like
I was nothing but respectful to you.
You weren't. I was respectful to you too. Didn't I tell you nicely? Can you make sure? Please don't leave until my kids are here.
We are not
Wait,
going to go
You
anywhere.
cannot leave until my.
We are not going anywhere yet.
Where is my phone? You took my phone out of my pocket.
Yes, I have that.
Where is it?
It'll be going with you to St. Lucie County Jail.
I need to see it.
It will be going with you to St. Lucie County Jail.
Okay. Hope you feel good, man. Doing that to somebody with kids. I wasn't rude to you.
I don't like doing it.
Both individuals were charged with resisting officer obstructing without violence. Shocker.
All I needed was your ID, man.
But I wanted to know if I'm legally required to give it to you, and that's why I asked for it.
You are legally required.
Yes, resisting the arrest was the main reason there, and the fact that the wife decided that she'd get physical and try and get in between him and the officers who were trying to arrest him. Yeah, don't do that. Just don't, dipshit. That was that one. Oh, this will be good. This is a real dickish move, he says. All right, let me just check that I've got the speed up.
Park's closed. It's closed. It is a park. It's called Harold's Landing.
Your bright light is very unnecessary.
You got an ID on you, bud?
I like that, AP.
The thing's out of here, bro.
Don't move your f***ing seat. Dude, turn the f***ing car off. Bro, turn the f***ing car off.
Dude, who do you think you are?
Turn the f***ing car off.
Bro, I can't f***ing see.
Get out of the f***ing car.
No, I don't have to get out of the car.
Get out of the f***ing car. You're turning this into something that it doesn't need to be.
Bro, you break my door handle, you're paying for it, okay?
Yeah, he's really not, because he's already told you to get out of the car.
Please just turn your light. It's blinding me, bro. What do I need to get out for?
The park's closed.
Okay, I'm eating my food and you got me blinded.
The park's closed, so it's a city violation. You're at the park after hours.
Sitting in my food. Where's the park sign?
This is the park. There's a f***ing park closed sign right over there that says 11 p.m.
I can't read it because
Unlock the car. Unlock the car and get out. Unlock the car and get out.
why do I need to get out?
I might be riled up because of that last video. I'm kind of hoping that the person recording at this stage is like a park ranger or someone with less authority than a regular police officer. Just so I can laugh.
Out of my car.
Listen, because I told you to.
It's 11:08. I'm 8 minutes off, sir. I will leave. Just give me my ID.
Get out of the car.
I don't need to get out of the car for what?
Because I'm giving you a lawful command. Get out of the f***ing car before I get you out of the car. I got a dog right now. You want me to go get him?
Yeah, touch.
Oh.
Put it right behind his wheels.
At this moment, a second backup officer arrives and places stop sticks behind the suspect's truck so he can't flee.
Can I get one more vehicle here, please?
Now I'm feeling like this is some overkill.
Get out of the car! Moline PD K9, get out of the f***ing car! Speak. Get out of the f***ing car!
I'm calling the police because you are being.
Get out of the car! Now, I am the police!
Put your dog away!
No, you get out of the car and I'll put him away!
I am the law.
This is out of hand, bro.
Buddy, you're about to make this way worse than it needs to be.
I'm not getting out of the car to go.
You unlock the car, I'll back up the door.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Get out now!
No, the
It was at this
Unlock the truck now! we got?
Put the dog away. I'm gonna get the out the truck.
Dog's not going anywhere. Leave the car.
Dude, if you put the dog away, I will get out.
Put your hands both up to the steering wheel. Unlock the door.
That firm missile is well and truly engaged.
Door right now. Put your hands on the steering wheel. Right here. Dog is sit. Open the door. Open the door. The dog is gone. Open the door.
Put the dog away.
No, open the door. He's way over there. He's on a leash. Open the door, dude.
I've done nothing wrong.
Okay, being ordered to step out of the car, so step out of the car.
So push your dog.
No.
Unlock the door now.
Put your hands on the steering wheel.
He's been refusing me out.
Baton.
He's got his baton out.
Yeah.
Okay, Keely, put the dog away.
Listen, we're about to break a window. What's his name?
Brian.
Brian. Listen, look, the dog is there. You're not gonna get bit. You'll go this way.
I'm getting out. Dude, I am getting out of the car. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm trying to get out. What are you doing?
Stop resisting.
What the f is your problem?
Put your hands behind your back now.
I have done nothing.
No, I dropped the leash.
Wait, move your hands. I'm not moving my hands. What are you talking about? Bro, I can get up. And this is bullshit. Stop.
Yes, it is bullshit, but if you just gotten out of the car, you could afford it in court.
What are you arresting me for? Dude, quit having me up.
Then walk. You don't listen.
So I'm eating my food in there, and you run up on me like I'm a career criminal. This is unheard of, man. This is very unheard of.
It's not really unheard of.
Tell me my rights for one, and what I did wrong. When you told me it was 11 o'clock when I came in here. Okay, just so you know.
Yeah, it closes at 11, so you are still in breach of the city violations, city ordinances.
I put my light on him, and he keeps like reaching over. So I get up on him, and he's like, sit there, and then he grabs his taco and starts saying, like, I'm saying, get your light off me. Just instantly starts being aggressive. So I'm like, all right, just give me your fucking ID. I'm gonna get you out of the park. And then he keeps refusing. Finally gives me his ID. Tell him to get out of the car. Refuses to get out of the car. So then he locks the car. And then he starts to back the car up.
Oh, okay. So start to move.
Yeah. So then that's when Pratt flew up and was going to throw the stop sticks behind him.
All right, Brian.
I need to know what I did wrong.
That's true, but
I have to read this.
Okay, now obviously, I'm not taking that cop's word for half of what he just said because there are the body camera itself does seem to conflict with what he just said. So.
First, okay? Yeah, the rights remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. Do you understand your rights as I've read them?
No, I do not, because I don't understand why I'm being arrested. It was 11:08. He was sitting there talking to me before, and he brought up the time. I was eating my food, bro.
Brian, I got here after you dealt with him, okay? Take a deep breath and just talk to me different, okay? This could have gone a lot different if you just would have been calm with him, right?
This was uncalled for. This was unnecessary. It was 11:08, and I didn't know I was at Taco Bell getting my food, trying to eat it before I drive and eat.
You failed to follow any instructions given by the officer. You continued to reach. You locked your doors.
I locked my doors because he had his dog. I was being pulled out.
You locked the doors before he got the dog out.
So hold on. This is an ordinance violation, and he treated me like a criminal. He didn't explain nothing to me about time. No, not until later. Then he says, I said, what did I do wrong? And he had to think, and he said the time, and I looked, and it's 11:08. I apologize. I'm 8 minutes off.
So after you apologize, be like, hey, man, I'm sorry. I didn't realize the park closed at 11 o'clock.
Well, okay.
How can I help you tonight, officer?
You're right, but when he pulled up, he shined his bright lights to where I was barking.
Would I want to migrate to the US if I had the opportunity, leave the motherland? Not at the moment, but it's getting closer and closer to me thinking about it strongly. The way that the freedom of speech here is being even further eroded, and yeah, look, it's getting closer to considering it. It's probably not going to happen anytime soon, but yeah.
And I asked him to turn his lights down. That was a move. I mean, I'm sitting here eating my food, got my head down, eating a taco, and he comes up on me like I'm crazy. You guys did not have to tear me out of the car and wrestle me down.
So when you continue to reach, when you continue to act like the way you did, we have to escalate it because there might be...
He was trying to drag me out of the car.
If you don't get out of the car, how do we know you don't have a gun in there? When you're reaching, you keep moving your hands off the steering wheel.
I admit to a little bit of fault, but he did his shit.
Dog, I'd move to North Korea before I moved to the UK with the way you guys are handling things, okay?
Bro. I've been approached by cops before, and they were way not as aggressive as he was off the bat.
Okay, I get it.
Can you put these cuffs on the front of me or something? I'm listening to you, bro, but if he's going to give me a ticket, the only ticket he can give me is for
whatever you call it. I'm 36 years old, soon on this coming up Saturday. You're charged with obstructing and resisting. Obstructing for what? He never told me anything. He didn't say what I was being arrested for. He said, I said, what did I do wrong? Why do I need to get out of the car? Why do you need to arrest me? Ryan, calm down again. Like I said, he did explain to you that at that point, he had given you a lawful command. He said it out loud. I'm going to look up in the constitutional rights of what I got to do. What is his command of law? Why? There has
Getting out of the car.
Reason to get me out of the car. There was no reason. I didn't resist a no arrest, man. And if I have to get a lawyer and read my constitutional rights on what went wrong, I am going to do this, bro, because this is way out of hand. Okay. Way out of hand. It didn't have to escalate that way, bro. He could have specifically said, start to act like that, there's something more going on than just eating Taco Bell, right? Hold on, let's back up, okay? What was so suspicious, okay? And at the same time, I simply asked him why he wanted me to get out of the car. He wouldn't give me a reason.
Just hold tight. Okay. He's got a couple weapons, whether it's a knife, a tomahawk, and a small bat. Right now, all I have is resisting and city ordinance for being at the park after hours. Can you guys just, one of you, write one of those tickets for me? And I'm just gonna do a quick report on it. With that, so unless he hits on the car.
Ryan, are you injured? Huh? Are you injured?
Unless the dog hits on the car.
If your cop would have given me a reason to get out of the car and said, well, whatever he had to tell me, I would have gotten out of the car.
The reason?
Instead of him like trying to open the door without giving me any kind of reason or anything.
You want to hear the reason? Why? It's because you were making furtive movements in the vehicle.
Okay.
The passenger. Listen, stop.
I'm listening.
Okay, we just found a tomahawk, a knife, and a bat, all within your arm's reach. So do you understand why we are worried when people reach inside their vehicles when we tell them not to? You continue to do it when I got here and told you not to.
Well,
you kept reaching down.
I'm sorry, but that's not my intentions. That's for
But how do I know that? How do I know you're not some crazy dude
I get you.
So
I
why
get
not
you.
just listen to us, step out of the car?
Because the dog
Exactly.
The whole reason why I would not get out of the car is because the dog wasn't there at the beginning. You guys had to pull me. Yes, it was. Okay, I take that back. He went back to his car, you're right, and had to get his dog. But he didn't give me any reason.
I just told you the reason, and he did give the reason.
Ryan, listen.
Whoa!
You're not going to jail tonight.
Thank you very much for the super sticker. £1.99. Yes, love that. Frenchie's mum. Appreciate it.
You were acting a fool, but you're not going to jail tonight, all right? Here's what happened. I come to this park a lot. I deal with a lot of vehicles that I've had issues with that come into this park after hours, okay? I understand that you're in there eating Taco Bell. I saw you were eating the Taco Bell, so that's why, I saw the furtive movements, but I saw you were eating the Taco Bell too, so I took that into consideration. I wasn't a dick at first, right? But you were being aggressive and combative.
With the light
verbally
in my
combative
face.
the whole
I'm sorry.
time. And I want all the light that I can get in that vehicle so I can see it. Does that make sense?
Oh, you're right. My
I totally
apologies.
understand you, bro. I really do, and I apologize.
Oh, it is
but
too.
when I
Sorry.
do the police, and I know this is irrelevant, but this is why I act the way I do around police. Some guy in Cedar Rapids broke into my hotel room. I was taking a shower and videotaped me in the shower, and the Cedar Rapids police did nothing. Sent the guy on his way, okay? So then I go back to Illinois. The Illinois police can't do anything about it. And I just want you guys to know that that's why I have a hard time with police, because what that dude did was illegal, and the cops let him go. And
At 12:30 in the morning? Yes, I occasionally need
I
glasses.
apologize.
I treated you like a human being. I treated you with decency until it was time to not be decent. And your actions dictated that, okay?
Yeah, I've tried to tell
Are you
that
okay?
I
Are you okay?
understand. Yes, I'm fine.
Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. You're getting 2 tickets, all right? I gotta do it because this turned into a whole ordeal. I didn't even want to do that.
What 2 tickets come up for?
You're 2 tickets, park after hours, and resisting, okay? You're not going to jail tonight. You just gotta pay a fine.
What's resisting?
When you were resisting.
I know. What type of fine is that?
It's on the back. I don't know. There'll be a court date.
Is it a hefty fine?
No. You'll go to a court date. You'll get a little slap on the wrist, and we'll be done with it. But dude, you can't be sitting there and trying to put that thing in reverse when I'm standing right next to the vehicle.
Well, it was in neutral, and that's why I waited until you backed up, because I know that I wasn't trying to hurt nobody. When I pulled in, your backup lights were on. Yeah, because it's a stick.
Yeah, because he'd already tried to move the car there.
Those little white lights on the back can come on unless you're in reverse.
Dude, he literally just said it was in neutral until you backed up, and then I tried to move. So yes, he knows full well that the car was in reverse, and he just said that. Now you're being a dick. This guy just needs to take the tickets before they lock him up for the night. Yeah.
Yeah, I put that vehicle in reverse.
Got a question for you. When you were reaching across the seat, what were you doing?
I was eating Taco Bell. I was putting all my taco in the bag.
Okay, what's up with the tomahawk, man?
Dude, I'm an outdoorsy person. I go out hunting, I fish.
Where was the tomahawk at?
I don't know.
It wasn't in the back seat, right?
Yeah, it was in the back.
It was in the back? Okay.
The tomahawk was behind the seat. The baseball bat was on the side of my driver's seat, and my machete was in the very back. Dude, I'm a hunting, outdoors, fishing person.
I get you. So am I.
Oh, and I feel bad that I was an asshole, but if things were explained a little simpler than me and him agree on, which I do, I agree with everything that you're telling me, but I just don't
which is
agree
why I
on
let the computer do the conversion for me.
to get out of the vehicle. But other than that, I'm fine. I'm glad nothing could happen.
I'm glad nothing happened more serious too. So you're fine. We're fine.
On edge.
Your vibe to me was there's a gun in this truck. He's got a gun on him. Does that make sense?
Oh, it does make sense, man. And, and I get where you're coming from. I get how police have to protect
like we
themselves.
may seem tough, but like we get scared too. So that's why we do the things we do. So everybody can go home safe, all right? So I'm gonna put those in the back. We're gonna finish up this paper.
Can I stand up at least? Because this is uncomfortable.
Give me 2 minutes and I'll get you out of the handcuffs, all right? All right, Brian, go ahead and step out. I'll get you out of those handcuffs.
How does this still go for another 6 minutes?
Paperwork, okay?
By signing here, you're not admitting
It's not
guilt.
admission to guilt. It's just
saying
you signing that you know that you have a court date for this.
Yeah, because I'm getting a lawyer for this. Is the only one I don't agree with.
The resisting.
Holy shit. Andrew's long lost brother?
Obstructing?
Yes.
Okay. That's fair. That's fair.
Because I do have, I mean, and I'm not trying to argue with you guys, but, you know, people aren't educated, and I do have constitutional rights. I'm not saying you're lying, because what just went on is, like, mind-blowing to me, but I do know that I was not told a specific reason other than I'm giving you a command, get out of my car. That's the only thing I heard from you out of that whole thing, and that's the only thing I'm contesting against. Because
all he needed to say.
Hey, get out of the car, I'm going to run your name, I don't want you in your vehicle, I would have jumped out the vehicle, no problem. You gave me no reason, so I felt I shouldn't have to get out of the car.
Brian, go ahead and sign, and I'll explain.
I mean, you're not even telling me how much money they are.
Well, here's the thing is, I don't know how much money it is, okay? Because I don't do we just enforce the law. We don't do any financial.
But you're telling me to sign all these in their
hold on.
light fines. You could be slamming me in the head.
I'm not slapping in your head.
It's not admitting guilt.
Besides the point.
But you signing that, all it says is that you understand that you have to go to that court date. A city ticket is usually anywhere from $25 to $75 depending on the fine.
Okay. No, I get it, but I don't have a job. I wasn't doing nothing wrong. And once a lawyer gets a hold of this stuff, they're going to be asking questions, bro. Like, literally. Okay. Do you guys feel the need to make somebody... No, it's fine. I'm just talking being cool, but he had no reason to arrest me.
There was no reason for you to act the way you did. We can go back and forth all night. I'm not going to argue.
I know, but I have laws in the Constitution.
He has explained to you why everything happened the way it did.
That's cool.
Okay?
If that dog wasn't there, I would have been out in a heartbeat. But I've been
Bullshit, dude. Just walk away.
In the whole fucking county, because my ex-girlfriend's dad works for the East Moline prison, they were laughing about the situation, using a dog to harm somebody that was innocent. I had no reason to be bit. The dog tore my nipple off, ripped my stomach out.
Brian, listen.
And you guys don't care about that.
I
People are scared of animals.
I understand that.
So that's why I'm going to tell the judge and the lawyer
this dude's going to get tased.
Out of the vehicle until the dog didn't get removed.
Brian, listen. Okay.
Because do you get what I'm coming from, though?
I do. I understand. This will now be the third time that I've explained, right? Because you agreed with me the first time that we talked.
I'm agreeing with
I walked up, right? I walked up, and I explained to you the park was closed, correct? Okay, then I got your ID. Luckily, you gave me your ID, even though you were reluctant to give me that. You gave me your ID. I ran it, right? But here's the thing is...
I'm listening.
So listen. So my light's on you, and you're pissed off about my light being on you, but I explained to you why my light was on you.
Yeah, I couldn't see.
Right. So because you couldn't see, you felt that you were gonna put the truck in reverse and start driving away.
I was actually gonna let it roll back because it's a stick, but yeah.
He could have walked right up and busted your window in, and we could have yanked you out. We did it, okay? Because that's not the route we want to go.
Bro, I'm not trying to argue with this part. I understand.
Oh
how
my
everything went
fucking
down. I have a
god!
question for you. Then why do they tell you on the internet and the other law
Don't
enforcement
listen.
people that
Okay. Okay, for those of you watching at home, scroll down to the very bottom of the description where it specifically says on my videos, this does not constitute legal advice. Do not listen to everything you read on the internet, you fuckwit. Or if you do, maybe at least look up Pennsylvania v. Mims and how it applies when a cop tells you to get out of the vehicle. Okay? Done. That's all it is. He's still going. Still arguing. I just want to see whether or not at the end of the video... Here we go.
Can't be good.
Brian was cited for resisting, obstructing, and the park violation. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Seriously, that's all you're giving me? Motherfucker. Fine.
I'm on Instagram Live. I'm battling...
Okay. So this one's from Unpopular. Woman's Instagram Live ends with surprise visit from the police.
Record this, ma'am. Record it. I have a whole case against you. You are gonna shut up. You a new cop, ain't you? Huh? Straight up white. You
On January 23rd, 2024, officers responded to a residence following a report of a woman causing a major disturbance. When the officers asked about her loud behavior, she stated that she was battling on Instagram Live.
Hey, Doc. Whoa.
Stingy #1 Aussie friend said for the 3 minutes I sent you, nothing shows.
All right. He's screaming goat in the future, quite possibly. Thank you for the super chat, Stitch.
Miami Township Police.
Let me whoop that ass! Let me whoop that ass!
Miami Township Police, come out.
Hi, sir.
What's happening?
This neighbor here has been making like false accusations, opening her door, slamming at them, yelling at me, nothing. Like, I don't know what the fuck her problem is, but I'm chilling. I'm literally chilling. Yes, I'm on Instagram Live. I'm battling. I'm yelling at people on live. Okay. Yes, and of course, she's the only one to ever have a complaint about it. I've been here for 4 months. Okay, 4 fucking months.
Well, it is like 5 a.m. right?
Okay, yes.
4 a.m. You're yelling. I understand what you're being mad.
I'm battling people on live, but something is wrong with this woman. I'm telling you something.
Do me a favor. Come over here real quick. We're gonna make sure there's no one else inside.
Yeah.
You got an ID on you at all?
I don't. No, sorry.
Stay back over here. Stay over here.
Why? This.
Okay. How about we do this then?
Don't touch
Come
me,
over here.
please. Don't.
You're gonna come over here.
Why are you
What?
touching me?
She's my back.
Okay. There is somebody.
Okay. Close the door.
Why are you touching me?
What the hell is the...
Knock it off or you're going on the ground. You understand me? You want to go to jail?
Whoa!
You want to go to jail?
Okay, coming in hot.
She's smiling at me.
I don't care what she's doing.
She's laughing.
I don't care.
At me. Like there's nothing going on.
Other than you're intoxicated and you're acting like a fool.
And I've been at home. And I've been at home.
Yeah, I'm not okay with this.
No, like what is this for? What is this for?
1 4, 2 to 10.
What is this for?
Because you don't know how to listen. That's
Listen,
why.
you asked me what was going on. I told you I was Instagram battling, and the neighbor called a complaint for what? Why are you being so aggressive? I don't understand because I do know my f***ing rights, and you are not to push
Shut
me like
your
that.
mouth.
No, you can't talk to me like that. Go ahead, record this, ma'am. Record it, record it, record it, record it, record it, record it, record it. Listen, sir, I have family.
I don't care.
And your
I don't care. I don't have an academy. Okay. Good.
Yeah, okay. What have
Get
I
lost.
done? What is your reasoning? What is your reasoning?
Obstructing.
Stupid bitch.
Yup.
Yes. Your ass are hurting me, sir. And I can't walk.
You're walking just fine.
Where am I going?
Jail.
No, I'm not.
Ooh, what the hell happened there?
Where am I going? Am I being detained?
No, you're under arrest.
For what?
Obstructing.
Obstructing?
Okay, I boomed the hell out of that. Just give me 2 seconds. I was trying to add a blur to it, but that seems to have massively messed up. There we go.
Okay, I have a whole case against you. I have a whole case against you. Ma'am.
Yeah, she very much is.
And you're getting more
Ma'am,
charges.
I would like to know where I'm going.
Jail.
Ma'am, I would like to know where I'm going. Ma'am, I would like to know where I'm going.
Jail.
No.
Stand up.
No, I'm
Or you're
not.
gonna catch a resisting charge.
Oh, this is so stupid. What the f*** is this?
Stop it.
No, what the f*** is this?
So what do they claim so far? That she was obstructing the investigation, which I don't believe she was. Stop touching buttons. Nothing wrong with being drunk in your own home. No, there is not. She was not drunk in public. I was drunk in my home. They threw me into public. Arrest them. I'm not okay with this. This is yeah, but you can't really even say disorderly because until they attended at her home, there was nothing going on in public. So
Congratulations, you just caught a resisting charge.
I'm not resisting. I want to know what's going on.
You're under arrest.
I'm for what?
Obstructing.
For what? I don't have my phone. I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing.
Put your foot in the car.
It's in the car. It's in the car. It's in the car. It's in the car.
yeah, I'm really not okay with this.
Okay, you gotta like give me a fucking phone call and let me know what's going on. You can't just show up.
Jesus Christ. Alcohol's a hell of a thing.
You gonna run that one by me again, officer? I don't think that was purely just because of alcohol.
What's your social security number?
I don't know.
All right, you're going to jail.
Obstructing, resisting.
Yep.
I'll let you know if it's
Whatever else they got up there.
I'm not from here, sir. I'm not from here. Like, I don't know.
What do you mean you're not from there? It's your house, isn't it?
From day one. She's a hater. We work in the same club. We work in the same club. We work in a fucking strip club.
I don't care.
We work in a fucking strip club.
I don't care where you work.
Good.
You have no right to fucking arrest me. No right. You told me I wasn't under fucking nothing. No, you told me I was straight away under arrest for what? You have nothing on me. Yeah, these authorities finna eat your ass up.
Okay.
They eat your ass up. Yeah. Yeah, they finna eat you up. Yeah. I can't wait for my payday. I can't wait for my payday.
Yep.
I can't wait. Ooh, I can't
I'll be
wait.
interested to see how this one plays out.
I wish I was still TikTok streaming. I can't wait for my payday, baby. I can't wait. Oh, this is so dumb. This is so
To be
dumb.
fair, to be fair, she understands that she has a lawsuit now. She understands that she's going to get a payday. Don't have to continue to be so obnoxious, though. Just saying. All you're going to do from this point is dig yourself a hole. At this point, she's looking at some significant money, in my opinion.
This is so dumb. This is so dumb. You had no right to arrest me. What was your charges, huh?
That's what it sounds like, yeah. The neighbor called the cops on her because she was being loud at like 4 a.m.
Obstruction? Because I'd like to see your body cam footage. You a new cop, ain't you, huh? Yeah, I got family in the police academy. I know my fucking rights. Yeah, you
What's your Fifth Amendment right then?
ain't got nothing on me.
What's your Fifth
Oh,
Amendment
don't be a
right?
dick.
Me, sir. This is illegal as you got me in cuffs for no reason, and they tight my skin. Yeah, they tight my skin. Yeah, this is illegal. I can't wait for my fucking payday. I can't fucking wait. I cannot wait. I've been waiting for this. Y'all bored. More with your fucking life. Straight out fucking life. Yeah, more with your fucking life. Yeah.
Wow, it's already on 1.25. I'm just gonna... No, you're right. She's annoying, but she is right.
You didn't grab me my Amanda Rice. This whole case won't get dropped. You hear that? You won't lose your job. Yeah, you ain't. Police academy attached you what? Huh? I dated a police officer.
For the record, saying that you've got family members in the police academy is like saying, oh, I know a law student. As a lawyer and a former law student, for the love of God, people don't do that to your family and friends. Just don't. Yeah, she has the freedom of speech. She also has the freedom against self-incrimination and the right to silence. So, he was still being a dick.
I got bullied in high school. That's all you win. That's all you win. What you gonna do? Throw me to the ground? What you gonna do? My hands already cut. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Be my ass? What you gonna do? I ain't giving y'all shit. I ain't giving y'all information. You gonna tell me why I'm
She's getting more ratchet the longer this goes on.
You fail. She's
Little bit.
big mad.
Oh, Jesus, Doc. But yes, that's what I hear too.
I love it so much. Thank you. Thank you. I needed
I think it's just the accent.
because you put me in handcuffs without reading me my rights and nothing.
Okay, people, and I'm going to make this very clear to her as well. She is under arrest. He does not have to read her Miranda rights unless he is questioning her. She can be arrested all she wants without receiving her Miranda rights. Clearly, she does not know her legal rights as much as she says she does. Have you seen in public with a leper before a lawyer? That one hurts a little, not gonna lie.
Vice jail, I'm out
I can't even wipe my
more Thursday. Be later.
Yeah, let her go. Yeah, let her go. Stupid.
Oh, sweetheart, you aren't getting let go. See this the whole way through and then get your lawsuit, but you ain't getting let go, that's for sure.
I work with her. I know she on drugs. I know it. I may have a drinks in me, but I'm of age. But that bitch on fucking drugs. That bitch on drugs.
Bloody hell.
That bitch on drugs.
You're funny. You're funny.
I need your name and badge number, please. Okay, I'm gonna get it when we get up here. Alright, since you want to be so non-compliant. Alright, since you want to be non-compliant. Yeah. Alright, are you still
Let me know when you're ready. Ready?
I really hope she followed up with that.
What's up?
God damn! She was spouting off like she was. Okay.
Yeah, of course. What? I don't want to be touched. I read my.
Yeah, you're getting searched, sweetheart. Suck it up. Oh no! What?
Ma'am, don't touch me. Okay. Oh, I ain't got nothing.
Oh, thank God. Okay, so they put the ends.
Christine Bott was charged with obstructing official business, resisting arrest, and failing to disclose info.
Seriously? Ooh, unknown to officers, they had a gun. Hang on. Police knew she was hiding something. 29-year-old refuses to take action. Chaos erupts after son calls 911 on mother. Clueless cop is about to get sued. Here we go.
On me because it's at the house. People that don't want to identify are involved in criminal activity. I can't even believe you're doing this to my son because he's walking around.
The sheriff says he's received hundreds of complaints.
Shut up and listen just a minute. We had reasonable enough suspicion to identify you. That's all that matters.
Welcome back to the Lackluster Channel. In Oklahoma, John takes a
Yes, if police officers engage you when they're investigating and you don't, and they have reasonable suspicion to suspect that you have committed a crime, they can require you to hand over your license to identify you. That's the disclosing of info charge.
walk every morning at around 6 a.m. with his 6-year-old autistic son, and on July 4th, 2024, they set out like every other morning, but shortly into their sunrise adventure, they were approached by an officer of the Watauga Police Department.
How you doing today? Yeah, where you heading out to? Just walking? Any specific location? Okay, is this your son?
Yes.
All right. Hey, what's your name?
You can tell me name.
Yeah.
John's son may be a loyal member of the Lack fam, as even he knows not to talk to strangers or the police. Shortly after the 6-year-old refuses to identify, a second officer arrives on scene to ensure that the boy never trusts a stranger ever again.
Oh, god damn, this is going to be so much worse than I thought. Buckle in, peeps.
What's your name, sir?
Johnny.
Johnny. All right. All right, Johnny, where you come from?
Just walking around.
Just walking around?
Yeah.
All right, enjoying this weather?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Well, we're just checking up on you, man. You know?
Just walking around. What the heck is this deal?
I found it a little bit suspicious, you know. So,
Yes, but that is not a reasonable suspicion to say that someone has committed a crime. Tell him to have a good day and move on, officer.
Just walking around.
Walking around is a little bit suspicious?
I mean...
Actually, go ahead.
Technically, not really, but I mean, it's pretty early in the morning. Just wondering what was going on.
That's what we do. We get up early. And you got your ID on you? What do I need an ID for? Because I just asked you for it. I don't need to show my ID. Okay. If you don't give me your ID, I'm going to take you to jail for failure to identify because I've identified that you've been walking around down here at 5:30 in the morning. Yeah, we do that. No, you're not. Give me your ID. I don't have my ID on me because it's at the house.
For some anti-American reason, this untrained officer believes that it's his right to identify anyone that decides to take a walk at 5:30 a.m. and for no other reason.
Okay, what's your name and date of birth? Huh? What's your name and date of birth? I don't know, but you can't run. I don't have. This is a state where I don't have to show my ID. Turn around. You're gonna do this in front of my son? Yeah, turn around. Are you serious? Yeah, turn around. This is my son. Let me bring my son home first.
No, yeah,
turn
no.
around now. Bro, you need here. Let me videotape this real quick. I want this on video.
Oh!
What are you doing to my son? Bro, this is f***ed up. Son, it's okay, okay?
This is another lawsuit.
You're gonna pay for this. You think? Yeah, I promise you that. We're walking around. There's nothing suspicious. I've done nothing criminal. I don't have my ID on me. I told you that.
The officer pushes himself up, using Johnny's back, intentionally grinding the gravel into his sternum.
And what did I tell you? You just slammed me on the ground because I was trying to record. What are you rolling me on the ground for? Dude, this is
Oh no, the kid's getting upset too.
There's my phone right there too. Dude, I can't even believe you're doing this to my son because he was walking around on 4th of July.
It's gonna be okay. Have a seat and I'll talk to you. I'm not gonna hurt you. All right, don't worry about that. Hey buddy, come here. You're okay. Listen to me. Are you okay? Hey,
No, do not go near that kid, you fucker.
It's gonna be okay.
People that don't want to identify typically are involved in criminal activity.
Bullshit. He is under no obligation to identify himself if there is no reasonable suspicion of a crime being committed. Fuck you.
I've known this individual to be involved in theft in the city of Camp.
Excuse me?
There's been no criminal activity. Okay, listen to me. Bro, we were just walking, and when you came up, you didn't hear what he said. Shut up and listen for a minute. No, shut up and listen. Okay. So I saw y'all walk down the alley behind. I saw y'all when I was headed into the office. Walk across the street. Yes, sir. Then I got my unit ready. While getting my unit ready, man, I see y'all back in the alley you left from, okay? We've always walked from the alley around it. So our house is around that. Is that why we do that? I promise. We do it every morning. I'm surprised you haven't seen it. So here's the thing. That's fine and dandy, man. But listen, we have people that are going down up and down these alleys, spray painting and tearing shit up. Yes, sir. I understand that. Okay? It's the 4th of July, man. Hey, do you watch a lot of Ninja Turtles?
No, I want my dad.
Yeah, he's right there. Don't worry about it. But
okay,
he would have came up and said something like, hey, he just goes, hey, I've been called for, what do you say, investigation of something. I'm like, what? Yeah, okay, so here's the deal, though. Listen, when I got there, I didn't play games with you. I asked you what y'all were doing. You said, okay. I've worked here. Yeah, and that's fine, dude. I love it that you're out with your kid. But it is a little odd, okay? So when I ask you for your ID, you say, I don't have any ID. So what's your name and date of birth?
It being a little odd is not a reason to handcuff him and slam him on the ground after he refuses to hand over his ID. Fuck you.
That's all you have to give me. Give me your name and date of birth. What is your name and date of birth? No, but this is because this is your last stop. You're asking me right now? I thought you were saying my name is John Sexton, 123086. Okay, set time. 123086. I didn't even have my radio on. That's crazy, man.
The officer that assaulted John now runs him for warrants.
Okay, listen, man. As long as you don't have a bad warrant, I don't want to take you to jail. I don't like taking people to jail. I don't like doing what I had to do to you in front of your kid. But you caused it. All you had to do was provide.
Fuck off. He did not.
No, listen.
You had no reason to do that.
Reasonable enough suspicion to identify you.
No, you did not.
If I did criminal activity. Yeah, but I didn't do no criminal activity. Yeah, no, I didn't.
Good God. So now walking down the street with your kid in the early morning is something that can require it's considered criminal activity. Fuck you.
Criminal walking with my son. Okay, it's not criminal, but we still have reasonable enough suspicion to identify you.
No, you really didn't.
Give the ID, I can. No, it's not a if. The state is not a if you want to state. It's a state that they can ID you at any time. It's not a. This is not a shall ID state. But once you're being detained.
Winks said cigar fund? Sure, why not?
Appreciate it. And for those of you that didn't notice, I did actually put up a goal for the stream. It's like 5 yellow boys because that'll get me a cigar at the end of the month. Yes, cigars are ridiculously expensive here. And I like the Monte Cristos, I'm not going to lie.
And what was I being detained for? Criminal, we don't know what's going on, but we can call it criminal activity. That's not what I did.
Excuse me?
Okay, man. Thrown down like that for my son. I didn't even throw you down, if you want to know the truth. You did. No. You rolled me on the ground, sir. I rolled you on the ground 2 times.
Body camera shows something a little bit different there.
No, that was just a little overdue when a kid's right there. That's all I'm saying. Well, don't you think maybe next time a cop says, hey, what's your name? I have my ID, though. That's what I'm telling you. I don't have it on. But I did ask you what your name and date of birth is. I'm not going to sit here and argue with you about it, Mr. Sexton.
The unlawful intrusion of John's privacy and blatant violation of his Fourth Amendment rights showed that he had warrants for unpaid tickets, which do not necessitate an arrest.
But here's the thing, man. Typically, when a cop's out with somebody and they don't want to identify, it leads us to believe that you are involved in more criminal activity.
That's a crock of shit. That's the whole, oh, well, you know, if you've done nothing wrong, you've got nothing to hide. Fuck off.
Then we need to. So that's why you heard me saying what I was saying, because I'm narrating for the camera. This is not my first day on the job, okay?
Really? You could have fucking fooled me.
And I'm going to tell you right now, man, I'm straight up with people. If I tell you to do something, you better be doing it. Does that make sense? Yeah, it makes sense, but hey, you know what? Maybe teach me what to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, my son being there, it wasn't the right time to do all this shit. Yeah, well, you know what, man? At 5:30 in the morning? Bro, I get up 4 o'clock every morning. No, that's cool, man. At night, yeah, but 4 o'clock. But put yourself in our position. We have our job is to make certain that shit's not going on down here. We see all the spray painting. So I literally saw y'all cross right here at Prouty. Indians around here running around doing that bullshit. I got you, bro. He's got possible warrant. So when I was headed in, I saw him walk down the alley. And then when I moved my truck around to the covered stuff, you know you can park back there if you want, right? Yeah, I do. Yeah, you can, man. When I moved my truck back around there, like, I turned, so this is Prouty. They were already walking out of the alley at Noble. And they walked, and then they just turned around, and he went right back into the same alley he came from, and he was hanging around on the.
He has an autistic son. It's not a what the fuck? If it I'm actually lost for words here because the way and the manner and the route that they decide to take on their walk, which, to be fair, if the kid's autistic, he may require his dad to go to specific landmarks in order to follow his own train of thought or process or however it works. That's considered enough for this shit? No, fuck off.
Oh, it'd be like 101, 102 or something like that. I have to go back and look at the address. But he's hanging around back there where they cook all that barbecue and stuff. So that's why we're making contact with him. Yeah. When people don't want to identify, typically there's something else going on. You know what I mean? Yeah.
You're a lying piece of
Third,
shit.
Excessive use of tax dollars now arrives on scene for the father walking with his boy.
Too early for this shit. Huh? One, he got like 10. Yeah. He didn't want to identify. He got his ass tripped up, put on the ground. He's doing it. So when I came in, I come from the north.
Whoa! Gain!
Gen said don't spend it on strippers.
I promise you I will not spend it on strippers. Thank you very much for the 20... Oh, shit. Pounds! 20 pounds! I got it right that time and I didn't need the glasses. Very much appreciate that. Cheers.
I see him cross this street, Prouty, in the alleyway, walking down. When I turn to go put my stuff up, they don't come out at Noble. I get my stuff to go, and I move my pickup around back, and they're hanging around like the back over there. You know where the bar, like where TGC is and stuff? They're hanging around over there. I don't know what they're doing. So Joaquin finds him. Joaquin stops him. He's like, I don't have to tell y'all anything. I said, dude, it's like, you're being detained. You know, hold on. I said, you give me your ID. He's like, I ain't giving you my ID. I don't give you shit. I don't have it. I said, okay, what's your name and date of birth? And he said, I don't have to tell you shit. Something like that. So I said, all right, go ahead, turn and put your hands behind your back. I'll take you in for a failure identify. Like, you're being detained. Like, I don't know. I was fixing to tell Joaquin, like, you know, if we can kind of get a situation where we can go over there to TGC and see what's going on and make sure nothing's out of the ordinary. He's like, we're just out walking, man. We walk every day. Okay, that's cool. But how much crap goes on in these alleys, Jarrett?
That does not justify infringement on the populace's rights.
He wouldn't turn around and put his hands behind his back. So he got the old jerk, kick your feet up from underneath you right in front of his kid. I hate to be that way. 4th of July, you know what I mean? I mean, why is he out this like one of his kids? Says he gets up every morning at 4 and walks around here.
Excuse me?
No, me neither.
No, I call out those too.
Yeah. I don't think I'm out of the scope of my job, do you?
I mean, we've been told
He's literally been there for 30 seconds and you're looking for him to approve what you did.
We've had break-ins, we've had graffiti, reports, drug stuff.
Eventually, John and his son are set free, and since the incident was made public, it was sent to be reviewed by the Oklahoma State Bureau of Investigations. It's been nearly a month, but the state agency still can't seem to figure out that what the officers did would amount to aggravated assault and battery if a non-state employee were to have committed the offense. Because of that, it's unclear whether the officers will face charges or internal discipline, but the Blaine County Sheriff recently demanded that the officers be suspended.
The Blaine County Sheriff is now stepping in, demanding those officers be placed on leave until OSBI concludes their investigation into what happened. The sheriff says that officer has a history of other complaints as well, including from his former colleagues.
The deputies that were underneath
Wait. From former colleagues as well?
him. They had lost faith in him as their leader.
Yeah.
And so I demoted him back.
The officer ended up moving to a position that wasn't with the public, then ended up leaving the sheriff's office, eventually leading him to a position with Watonga PD.
The agencies have since received hundreds, if not thousands, of complaints. No doubt they've trashed or deleted most of them without reading them. KOC 05 was the first to report on this and claims to have the officers' names. But for some reason, they won't reveal them unless criminal charges are brought against them.
KOCO was first to tell you about this story earlier this week. I do have the names of the officers that were involved in this incident, but we aren't releasing them right now because they haven't been formally charged with anything.
This statement makes James Madison Audit's recent video even more compelling.
The media is biased and they are state-ran or state-influenced, and that's what I think is happening here. They can't really do bad stories about the government because they rely on them to get fed information. Your suspicions were always correct.
The arresting officer appears to not be wearing a name tag, but we'd at least like you to know that the other officer's name is Montoya. Pink Camera Magic was kind enough to direct me where I could find these full videos, as the Watonga Police Department has completely ignored my requests for records so far. So be sure to check out her channel, linked in the comments below. And
well, there you go. Go and check out Pink Camera Magic or Pink Magic Camera?
Sorry. For records so far. So be sure to
Pink Camera Magic. Okay. Definitely go and give them a look as well. Nico Montoya. Yeah, that honestly, as a parent, that was the other bit that really fucking irritated me. Watching him faceplant the father and then try and walk up and pretend like everything was okay to try and calm the kid down. You literally just assaulted his father, leaving aside the fact that the kid's autistic. You just assaulted his father, faceplanted him in the ground, put him in the back of a cruiser, and you want to pretend to be the big savior and try and get the kid to calm down? If anything, if I was the parent, I'd be charging you with improper contact with my child.
Check out her channel, linked in the comments below. And if you like this video, check out another episode, linked on screen.
Ooh, sassy lady cop gets sued. Might save that one for the other day. All right, so I have a couple of user submissions. Oh shit, Bal, that one's like 30 minutes. Even if I run it at 1.25, I'm going to be here for another half hour. Yes, I let the guy go eventually, and apparently the charges against him were dropped. As well they fucking should be. Oh, hang on. Yes, do the YouTubey things, and I got to remember to hit the like button.
Alright, you know I'm going.
Lake and Orchard, George Union, 1489. George Union, 1489.
That's exactly my point, Dork. As far as I'm concerned, it's just an aggravating factor. I think that came up at one point, yeah.
You okay?
Yes, I was trying to get home. I'm so sorry.
You just on your
phone? Yes, I was on my phone, and
I got you.
I was trying to type in my address, honestly. I'm so sorry.
I got you. You got to do that. Coming up to a red light would have been a perfect time to do it.
I understand.
You got your license with
Wait. Did you just say that it would have been an okay time at a red light for her to touch her phone? We get into shit for doing that here. You're not supposed to have your hands on your phone at all when the vehicle's in motion.
How old are you?
I'm 18. I do not believe I have a language.
Dude, you're not going to get into a knickers. Just walk away.
I'm sorry, I'm so like shaking.
No, I understand that. So you're Allison.
See you, Elizabeth.
You are 18, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you get your proof of insurance with you? Oh, hey.
Perfect.
There we go. Here, take this back. I don't need this one. Okay.
Because my insurance took out these, so I don't need to find anyone.
I got you.
All right, so we'll do with this one, and then we'll.
I got you. Okay. Were you smoking marijuana today? I see you got shells and stuff in there. Who smokes in the car?
That is from my boyfriend.
I got you.
I do let him drive sometimes because his car is getting worked on. So.
I got you. When's the last time you smoked?
Honestly, like a couple hours ago.
A couple hours ago. Okay. Well, for me, I just want to make sure you're safe to be driving. You know, a couple hours ago could still be in your system, so I'm gonna do some field sobriety checks with you. And if everything's good, you know, I'll let you drive home. Okay?
Awesome.
Come on over here.
Can I bring my vape with you?
I don't want you to take one more hit of that, okay? That's not THC, right? No. Good. Over here. Do you mind if I pay down for weapons before we go any further? You just want to face my car. I got a camera there, and I got a camera on my chest. If you just want to interlace your fingers and put them behind your head. There we go. I'm going to use the back of my hand to pay you down. Do you have any weapons or anything like that on your person? Relax. Actually, go stand on the sidewalk for me. All right. Last vape, okay? All right. So I'm gonna ask you a couple questions. Are you seeing a doctor for anything right now? Any pain anywhere in your body? Any medications?
I do have knee problems.
Knee problems?
Yes, I wasn't here.
Okay.
No shit, really?
So my knees will buckle.
Okay.
And I was in 2 car accidents, so my body just.
How long ago were the accidents?
1 year ago.
Okay. And then, did you ever receive like a surgery or anything, physical therapy, anything like that?
No.
Or just kind of general soreness?
Yeah.
I got you. And then, glasses, contacts? Glasses? Can you drive without them? Or do you got contacts in? Okay. And then, any medications you currently take?
No.
Medical marijuana card, anything like that?
No.
Okay. Face me. Interlace your fingers, put underneath your chin like this. I'm gonna check your eyes out, okay? Did you drink any alcohol today?
No.
Okay, good. I'm gonna move my finger from your left to your right. Just follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. You understand?
Yes.
Oh, just keep looking at my finger, okay?
You already have her on camera admitting that she smoked earlier that day.
Hold off to the side. Just keep looking. Just keep your head still for me, okay? Keep your head still. There we go.
Can I move this hair out of my face?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, flood insurance is a thing here.
See my finger here? I'm gonna move it in 2 complete circles. I'm gonna bring it in towards your nose. I'm not gonna touch your nose. Just cross your eyes, follow my fingers, it comes in, okay? All right, 1, 2, follow my fingers, it moves in the circles, okay? So 1, 2, bringing it in. Okay, try that one more time, all right? So 1, 2, bringing it in. Okay, no convergence. So what I'm going to have you do is just feet together, hands down towards your side like this. So what I'm going to have you do is just close your eyes, tilt your head up, and I just want you to think about the passage of 30 seconds in your head. Just head all the way up like this. Just think about 30 seconds with your eyes closed. When you get to 30 seconds, open your eyes, tilt your head forward, say stop. I'll be keeping track of you with a stopwatch, okay? Do you got any questions about that?
Am I counting with...
Just inside of your head, just you don't even have to count, just estimate 30 seconds, however you're going to estimate 30 seconds. Once you're there.
Really, that's interesting, AP, because here, if you've got it in your system, it's a strict liability offense and you are not allowed behind the wheel.
There, open your eyes, tell me to stop. I'll be keeping track of you with a stopwatch, okay? Any questions?
No.
Eyes closed, hands down toward your side, head back, and start. All right, how long do you think that was?
About 25 seconds.
Why'd you stop at 25 and not 30? Just felt like it was taking too long?
You said about 30 seconds.
I got you. So it was 18 seconds. It was pretty fast, okay? But what method did you use? How were you keeping track in your head?
I was just letting it go. I wasn't even counting how you said don't count.
Okay, so you're just thinking?
Yeah.
Okay. Just kind of like, all right, about now kind of thing. Okay, gotcha. And then you feel like you're able to walk in a straight line with like the knees and everything going on?
For the most part, just like standing on them and like
we'll use this stretch.
My right there, I felt I was going.
Would you agree that this is a fairly even surface right here? I'm walking down. I don't feel like it's uneven or anything.
Yes.
If you want to leave your Crocs on for this, that's fine. If you want to do it in your socks, that's fine with me also. What I maybe do is I want you to place your left foot on the middle of that straight line right there, okay? Put your right foot heel to toe in front of your left foot, just like I'm doing.
I don't think I can do it. I'm just so nervous right now. I've been taking honestly.
I know. I noticed that.
I'm not even trying to.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Do you think you could do like a one-leg stand kind of thing like this? So just hands down toward your side, feet together, just like this.
Yeah,
I got you.
I tried to go on one.
Okay. What's your highest level of education?
I was a senior graduate.
Okay.
Senior graduate, yes.
Okay, good. So like 12 years of high school, or is that?
Yes.
I got you. So typical high school diploma then.
Yes.
You know the alphabet, right?
Yes.
We're okay. I want you to recite the alphabet for me, starting with the letter D as in David, and then stopping the letter P as in Paul, so D to P.
D-E-F-G-H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P.
Okay. And you don't feel like you're able to do that just because you're nervous, right? I understand that I can't make you not nervous. But what I can tell you is I am seeing some signs of like marijuana impairment. You know, that stuff stays in your body for a long time, and you're pretty small, so I'd imagine it would probably affect you. How do you feel right now?
I feel completely. Would you be able to follow me back to my grandma's?
No, we don't do that. Like 1 to 10, how do you feel? Or 0 to 10, how do you feel?
I feel honestly at a 1 or 2.
At a 1 or 2?
That's where I could perfectly drive home.
I gotcha. So who do you live with? Your grandma's?
My mother.
Your mother. Okay. Where's she live?
I'm on my way to Elyria.
Same address that's on your license? Yes. Okay. So I'm going to tell you this right now. You're going home tonight. You're going to end up getting picked up or dropped off. But we're going to take you in to do some additional like urine tests, kind of stuff like that. Not with me, but with like a female officer. I'm not going to tow your car. I'm going to leave it here. So that way somebody can come pick it up. You're not going to have to pay like a tow fee or anything like that. And then you got your phone in there, right?
Yes.
I'll let you call your parent or mom or grandma or whoever you want to come pick you up. Just let them know what's going on, okay?
Awesome.
No, over here.
Okay.
So I'm going to grab that for you. So I will tell you, I'm going to have to put you in handcuffs while I transport you. You are under arrest, but you're not going to jail or anything. There's no mugshots, not going to be on Facebook, nothing like that, okay? This is a driving under the influence of marijuana and or other drugs, okay? I don't know what's all in your system. I can assume marijuana just because of the smell of it, okay? You don't seem like you're on any other type of drug than marijuana, okay? Did you have a little bit of alcohol tonight? No? Okay. Just stand right here in front of my car. I'm going to put my gloves on, okay?
Can you roll my sleeves down?
Roll your sleeves down? Yeah, of course. All right.
I mean, look, at this point, there's probably no point in answering the questions. He was always going to be taking her back. As soon as she said that she'd smoked earlier that day, she was always getting blood tested. So at that point, I wouldn't necessarily feel the need to answer any questions. I would say, it's shut the fuck up Friday, as usual. And go get the test done, but just be polite about it, basically.
Just stand right here. That's okay. Now, I know you're nervous, but hey, you got the nicest trooper that you could probably get. So it worked out pretty well for you. You got to understand that when we've been...
I can't with this guy. I genuinely feel like he's trying to get into an 18-year-old's pants, and I'm not okay with it. He may well just be that. He may well be the Ned Flanders of the area, but this is just... this feels weird to me.
smoking earlier, and me as an officer, if I'm watching you hit a curb as you're driving down, I really can't let you drive after that, you know?
Yeah.
How long have you been 18?
Yeah, Kathy.
Since December, I'm going to turn 18.
Okay, so you turned 9. So where'd you go to high school at?
GBS.
Okay, what was your main high school? Okay, gotcha. Just face my
Pretty
camera
much.
for me. I just like having everything on camera, okay? You just step back just a little bit. I'm going to check your hoodie pocket. You got your vape here? Okay. I'm going to let you hang on to your vape, but no more using it until I let you go, okay?
All right.
There. And I'm going to remove your watch, okay? And your phone's just in the cup holder in there?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to let you use your phone in the backseat of my car. Okay.
Feels like I'm wearing nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all.
Please don't put my seatbelt on. You said I get to leave, not in your car.
Huh?
I thought you said I get to leave.
Oh,
in
no,
your
no,
car.
we're taking you to, I can't do a urine test here. I'm going to take you to a female officer. Look, there's no booking or anything like that. But you
Well,
got to wait.
all right, can you let me have my phone first?
Yeah, I can do
So
that.
I can call my mother.
Yep.
Like,
Thank you, one.
What is she doing?
Here's this. Are you able to get your hands in front of you? Okay. Go ahead and dial it. Just keep the handcuffs on, okay?
Call EPD. See if they have a female officer on duty.
hi, I just got pulled over. You need to come get my car. I'm not getting arrested, but I'm in the back of a Stady car. And then they're about to go take me to go take it. I'm trying to think. I'm Lake Avenue. Coming back from Miami's, and then he's searching my car. Mom, I got one in there, and then I got him. They're just okay. Listen, I'm not.
Wait, what? I got one in. Ooh.
In there, and then I got him. They're just okay. Listen, I'm not being arrested, but my car's unless you come get my car is being towed, and then he's searching my car right now, and then listen, I'm not being arrested technically. I'm just going to take a drug test because he tried to do a sobriety test on me. He said, all right, well, I think like you might be under the influence of marijuana still. And they're trying to find me a female officer to do a drug test. Dude, I have on me. I need to get rid of. Alright, do I put it up my?
Oh, sweetheart.
What? I can't hear you. What? Yeah, I mean, I might not get arrested. I'm just going to do a drug test. I need to be in handcuffs to be transported.
Funny thing is, this is all on camera. Congratulations.
I dropped my phone again, and I'm not going to be able to pick it up. I dropped my phone again.
The yellow box truck plate is obstructed. Okay.
Some people don't realize that cop cars have cameras in them.
Hello? I dropped my phone. Alright, so my best tip is just hang up and pray these don't fall out. Hello? No, I can't hear you. Kind of ish.
Yeah, she's blonde. I don't think that's...
Alright, I picked up my phone. Hello? I'll be there. Alright, but listen, there's one in there that's in it too. Okay, bye.
It seems to vary state by state, Reagan. Some places they do, some places they don't. I mean, for us, it's pretty much a given that you're going to get breathoed and or drug tested on the side of the road. But, a lot of the states, they... Well, that's on camera. Consumption. No. I mean, if you're picked up and you test positive for drugs, irrespective of whenever you last did it, you will be arrested, and they will take you to do a blood test for drugs. Alcohol doesn't matter when you last had it, as long as you're under the legal limit. Okay, now I'm less sure that she's hiding the weed than I am. Shut up, KY.
Hey, I feel a little bit safer. I put it in my JJ. Oh. Well, I already did. It's in plastic. What do you... Dude, then I gotta put it back in my bra and then, like... I'm on camera technically, so I mean...
She knows she's on camera!
I'm on the way. Alright, well, he's getting in my car. He's moving my car. Mom, I don't know where to put it because I got tiny feet, so it's gonna fall. That's why I put it in my JJ, bro. Dude, I already took it back and put it back in my bra. What do we do? He's gone, so I got the time. Put it in my shoe now. I know.
George Edward George 468.
I think that was just the address.
George Edward George 468 Georgia. Okay.
Dude, when I get to the jail, I'm gonna have to get out my shoes. It's in my shoes right now. Where do I put it?
Which part of Lake Avenue are you on?
You would think.
Okay, also, I ripped open the bag on accident.
Oh my god!
And he's walking back this way, and I got my flashlight on. Let me make sure I don't got shit behind me. I hate life. I'm taking you off the speaker because he's coming back. Alright, I think we're about to leave. He's got my purse. Should I ask her?
Okay, did you get a hold?
Yes.
Good. So we're gonna go to the Elyria Police Department, and then you can get picked up there. I parked your car right here on the corner of 51st Street, okay?
Alright, it's at the corner of 51st and Lake Avenue. Sorry.
Okay, I gotta buckle you in, okay? So just lean your head back for me. Is your mom gonna pick you up there?
Yes. Is the car,
Yep.
just keys in the car?
No, keys are in your purse, car's locked up, okay? So they can pick you up first, and then they can get there. Okay.
Alright, go to
Yep.
Alright, go to EPD. What? Go to EPD. I'm sorry.
It's Master Chef, not Master Bait.
Woman down. We're at the EPD, so it's gonna be 8069er.
You sure, KY? Even with the itty bitty titty committee? Is she taking a fucking selfie? Oh my god!
Alright, so when we get there, Alice, I'm gonna read you a form. Basically, that form is gonna say I'm gonna offer. Alright, so when we get there, Alice, I'm gonna read you a form. Basically, that form is going to say I'm going to offer you a urine test. You can take it or refuse it. It's up to you. But if you refuse it, you're suspended for 1 year. And if you test over the legal limit of marijuana, which we won't know for a couple months, but it'll be like a 90-day suspension, okay? So you can still drive during those suspensions, but you have to have permission from the court. So they'll print you out permission to like go to work or go to the doctors or like stuff that you know, essential things you have to do, okay? So when we get inside, we'll get the handcuffs off you and everything. Basically, we're gonna get that test from you and then come back out. We'll type everything out, just everything you need to go to court. I'll put court on Thursday, and yeah, I mean you'll be set. You just got to show up Thursday, and then the court will let you know what your test results are. But like I said, that'll be in weeks, months. You know. I'll just use you guys as 2255s inside. What's that? I'll just use you guys as 2255s.
Ironically, as weird as this is going to sound, she hasn't actually done anything illegal yet because he was not allowed to search her, so she can still declare whatever drug she has on her when the female officer checks her. And if it really is a state where it is legal to possess, she hasn't actually committed a crime. And I think I'm going to have an aneurysm.
Come on over here.
One second. Yeah, can I open this?
No more vaping, remember? No more vaping. About to put that away. Oh, big door?
Yeah.
Okay. We just go in right here.
I think she might just be that stupid or doesn't know that it's legal.
Yeah, we'll just get him inside here.
Oh, she's not blonde. She's a redhead. Look at that.
No, you're fine. Right here. Get this. I got to read you this form. We'll get you on a test, okay? I mean, you can. Who's your lawyer? Can you get a hold of him right now? Okay. Yeah. I mean, let me read this to you.
I'm gonna go get I'll be right back.
I got you. So, you just read them as I read this, okay? You're now under arrest for operating a vehicle and influence of alcohol, drug, or a combination of them. I guess I gotta wait for her to come back before I read this, but basically the gist of this, I'll start.
No, she's not a strawberry blonde. That's a deep red.
You're suspended for 1 year. You test over, it'll be a 90-day suspension. That suspension won't take effect until we know if you're over or not, and then it'll be backdated to today. So let's say we find out in 2 months that you're over the legal limit for marijuana, you would have 1 more month of suspension.
What is the legal limit of marijuana?
It's 15 nanograms
When
per.
I was smoking earlier, I'm going to be completely honest with you, it was a dab pen because I told you 2 hours ago, so it was literally like that vape.
Yeah.
How does that come back?
It'll probably be over. That stuff's pretty strong, like I said, pretty small. It hangs around in your system for anywhere 3 to 10 hours after you use it.
Take the test.
I could.
The 90 days is better than the year
I
suspension.
would love to hear my options, so keep on going.
It's basically like all we're going to offer you here is a urine test, and if you refuse it, you're suspended for 1 year. If you're found to be over, it's a 90-day suspension, but like I said, we're not going to find out if you're over or not tonight.
And then 90 days better than a year anyways.
Huh?
I said 90 days better than a year anyways.
Yeah, much shorter.
Backdated to today? Yeah.
Now, you're under arrest for operating vehicle and influence alcohol, drug, or a combination of them. Operating vehicle and influence of illicit controlled substance, illicit metabolite controlled substance. Operating vehicle or underage alcohol consumption. Or having physical control.
Oh, look, the female cop is so happy about having to do this test.
Vehicle while under the influence. If you refuse to take any chemical test required by law, your high driving privileges will be suspended immediately. You'll have to pay a fee to be privileges reinstated. So like I said, if you refuse, it'll be 1 year from today. If you're found to be over the legal limit, like I said, it's about a 2-month turnaround on those right now. It would be a backdated suspension to today, but you won't be suspended as you leave here. You'll find out that you're suspended, and you'll find out how much more time you have left, and then you might have to pay.
So basically, she may actually be able to drive for another 2 months, and then be suspended for a month. Bloody hell, that's actually... Okay, don't mind that.
Reinstatement fee after that to get it. Depends on what the court
Officer Big Mac. No, that's Officer Whopper.
Okay. So I'm going to sign this. I'm going to ask that you sign it. I'm going to have Officer Mitchell here sign it. Non-admission of guilt. It's just acknowledging I read you the yellow piece of paper, okay? There. Butter knife?
Hi, friend.
Yeah. Okay. No, that's my good pen. That's my good pen. I still got stuff to fill out, too. So she'll take you to do a urine test. You'll just do it around...
Alright, we still got 5 minutes. They had better have the end of that.
Mom's in the lobby.
That's perfect. I'll have about 20 more minutes.
Yep, about 20 minutes and she'll be out. Okay.
No, but we got to type up your stuff, you know. That's actually pretty quick. I've got this thing down streamlined, I'd say.
Given she's got to watch her pee, it would have been really bad to have that stuff stuck in her vajayjay, all I'm saying.
Okay, we're gonna get going.
Do you have everything she needs, or do you have to go back to your car?
I have to go back to my car, type everything up, and we'll be out in like 10 minutes, so.
Oh my god, they didn't search her. The cops aren't going to know that she was carrying anything until after this is already... Oh my...
No, I got trauma. I got...
Should be cropped. Just don't push on it.
I was gonna say, I got like trauma stuff, like if your finger fell off, I could maybe do something, but nothing. Yeah.
No red solo cups, thankfully.
Yeah. Alrighty. Just have a seat back where you were. I'm gonna get your stuff typed up. I'll roll down a window if you want.
No, please don't.
Okay.
Done.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Have a good night, because I get to leave. That means it's good night.
She thinks she's got away with it. When this footage comes out, both of those officers are at least getting some sort of talking to, if not a reprimand.
Be right back with you. You just gotta talk to your mom real quick, okay?
Okay. Hi.
You're the registered owner of the Ford. You know where your car's at?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. Oh, it's home already? Good. Here's this. She's got court on Thursday at...
Wait. You're taking her?
No, I'm dropping her off to you.
Oh.
I'm just letting you know, your mom. I like telling everybody.
You need to be first, so I'm like,
oh, no, come on over here. Let's get her out of the car. So basically driving under the influence of marijuana. She's driving around hitting curbs and stuff.
Oh, Jesus, God almighty.
Yeah, probably not paying attention, but we got to stay focused on the road, you know?
I went on my phone right after the light, and then hit his leg. Midnight passed away.
Yeah, you know. So I got one yellow piece of paper. It's that copy of that form I read you. Okay. This just says you got court on Thursday the 12th at 10 o'clock. Leary Municipal Court, which is right on the other side of that building.
Where is that?
Yeah. Other than that, just everything we kind of talked about, it's already on here. You got the possession of marijuana. They'll probably drop that, but just make sure you're going and getting that taken care of. You got driving under the influence, and then you got the...
Wait, what? She got charged with possession. He knew.
They'll probably drop that, but just make sure you're going and getting that taken care of. You got driving under the...
Look at her face. She's like, but I'm not carrying anything. At what point? He must have went and watched the footage while... Oh my god. That was a twist I didn't see coming. I'll be honest.
Influence, and then you got the hitting the curb.
Can the DUI be dropped to something else?
Yeah, they usually reduce them. You just got to work with the court and see what they want to do with it.
Thank you.
Especially with marijuana ones, they're usually more keen to reduce them, but compared to like an alcohol one.
Oh, okay.
But it all goes in as the same thing, and they work them out from there. But we'll get your urine results back, and those will just go to the court.
Okay, so on August 13, she pled guilty to the OVI charge. The other 3 charges were dismissed.
And the court will let you know what you come back
Fuck me sideways.
Other than that, you got any questions for me? Let me grab you that form. Here's that. That's yours. This is the form that we read you. Just give me your copy. There you go. All right. You guys got any questions for me? All right. Well, you guys have a good...
She was fined $500 plus the court costs because of another controlled substance conviction in 2023. She was also sentenced to an undisclosed... Oh, she went to jail! They dropped 3 of the 4 charges. She copped a $500 fine and a certain amount of time in jail. Huh.
Good night. Stay in touch with the court if you have any questions. It's probably better to go through them. And they'll be ready for you Thursday at 10 o'clock, okay? You have a good night, okay?
Damn. All I can say is fucking bravo, officer. That was hilarious. What happened with the fake redheads test? We didn't get the results back, but as it turns out, Seed Fan, he knew what she'd been doing, and she was also charged with possession. So, damn. That legitimately, that was a twist that I did not see coming. I legit thought that he was going to be letting her off the hook. So, all right, hang on. And we got one last one. I don't know how I feel about this one. Apparently, this is a police instructor who manages to shoot himself in the foot. YouTube, my understanding is we see shit all of this, okay? So just...
I have a gun on my side right here. Just this week, at the beginning of the week, a young boy, not even 16 years old, was killed because he was playing with a gun. And see, this is an unloaded gun. Right here.
Yes, this is very old, but it is a user submission, so...
Empty weapon. This is a Glock 40. 50 Cent, Too Short, all of them talk about Glock 40. Okay, I'm the only one in this room professional enough that I know of to carry this Glock 40. I'm the only
I'm the only one professional enough in this room to have a Glock 40.
This moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh, that was good.
Is everybody all right? You all right?
All right, I just lost my pinky.
Yeah, I had an AD.
Just playing it down for the kids as well.
Listen up, guys. But, listen up. And I made a mistake. So listen to me. Guys, listen to me. Yeah, listen to me. See that how the accident happened? It can happen to you, and you can be blown away. Okay? So, guys, never play with guns. See how accidents happen? They happen. Okay, now I'll probably never be able to show guns again. But Brian, bring that other gun out, Brian.
So we can finish the job?
Yeah, Brian, see that right there. See that right there. Brian. I think he called it right now. Bring that other gun out. Hey, see this gun right here, guys? Listen. See this gun?
Don't give it to him. Do not give it to the man. Just don't.
It's empty. It's an empty weapon, guys. Don't. Listen.
As my late fiance would say, what did we learn? I'm assuming he checked the magazine but did not check the chamber. Dumbass. I've handled guns all of once, and I'm smart enough to know you don't do that. This little piggy went bang! Is he limping? Yeah, he shot himself in the foot. It's not just that he let the gun go off, it's that he got himself in the foot and he's limping around pretending nothing happened. I wouldn't be happy about it either, AP, if I'm honest. So... Oh, meme's still live, so that's probably where I'll send everybody. Oh, all right, peeps. It is now 1:30. I need to get some sleep because I've got some shit to do. On par with the Rare Darwin Awards. Yeah. There's little babies in there. What the actual fuck? Exactly. So... Oh, all right. Remember, people, thank you so much for being here. Make sure you've hit that like button and double check whether or not you're still subscribed, because I'm quickly heading towards 31,600 because YouTube is arsehole, and at the moment I'm not streaming often enough to keep bringing in the new subs. So just double check for me if you wouldn't mind. But as always, please remember you're not a piece of shit. You have value and do contribute to society, especially for being here. And I will just quickly double check. That's the live streaming page. Hang on. Yep. That. Edit that. And a redirect. All right. Memes talking about Lily Phillips and the need to fill her coochie with 1,000 guys. So you might as well go and enjoy that. But, holy crap, there's 100 people watching. Thank you. Hey, wait, there's 94 people watching and 71 likes. 20 of you haven't done your job. But anyway, I'll see you all later, peeps. Have a good night. If Raygun actually takes legal action, yes, I will absolutely be covering that, Grifter, because I don't necessarily believe that she can take the action that she already has, in my own personal opinion. I haven't seen the legal documents saying whether or not she could or couldn't, but basically sending that cease and desist to the venue, I think was overstepping personally. So I'm of the opinion that anything that she created for the purposes of representing Australia at the Olympics belongs to the Commonwealth, not to her personally. So that's my own opinion. But anyway, peace out, peeps.
This shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks. Don't mind me. I'ma just grab my stuff and leave. Excuse me, please. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Nope. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Alright then. I don't know what the fuck just happened, but I don't really care. I'ma get the fuck up out of here. Fuck this shit, I'm out.